Sorry for missing the hellos. I messed up big time. It's okay, I fixed it. Sorry for missing the hellos. I messed up big time. It's okay. And then there was two of me. It's kind of scuffed today. There's only one of me now. We're back to the proper amount of me. Okay, sorry. Almost done. Sorry. Okay. Man. I'm glad I give myself 5 minutes. Because we're pushing it today. Oh no, wait, it's still broken. Hang on. Hi everybody. How's it going? Okay, hang on. Oh. It's so close, man. Hey, cool dude. Hey, Viridian. Hey, Bass Boy. Hey, Silent. How's everybody doing? How's it going? Bruh. That was a close one. Basically, I forgot to change over the YouTube stuff from the Celeste setup that I had. And YouTube was again getting confused what game I was playing. So I went to change like the thumbnail and pop the chat back out. And it started to crash. Like the computer just caught fire in front of me. It was horrifying. It's okay, it's fixed. Everything's fixed now. I think. Actually, I'm not 100% sure. Let me check. Say One Piece? That's just your opinion. Okay. Yeah. Okay, it's back. Everything's fine. Whew. The Gray Man, like that serial killer? What? What are you accusing me? I thought you meant like the G-Man from like Half-Life or something. Close enough, right? I'll take it. You guys want to see something crazy? See some... Hey, Just Fi, how's it going? I'm chilling. I'm chilling. I'm a little sleepy, but I'm otherwise quite good. I'm excited. I have a 3-day weekend, so I'm gonna get a lot of sleep this weekend. Get nice and recharged. Should be a good time. Where Luffy? I don't know. He said he'd be here, but he flaked on me. It's tragic, honestly. Where's the thing I wanted to? Look at this. The game. The game is out. Isn't that crazy? The game we made in a month, it actually exists. You can go play it. It's wild, dude. We live in crazy times. Sorry for at everyone pinging, but I got excited. You can't blame me. Oh, then hey, there it is. What did you see early last night? Just woke up to catch the stream. Nice, man. I'm glad you're here. I saw you hanging out with in Keshavok's stream with us last night. That was fun. We were having like a little Discord watch party of Keshavok's stream for a bit. Sick, dude. What a chill guy. Cool. Oh, also, while we're on the topic of announcements, I added a thing. You can make me focus for 1 minute. I don't know why anyone would ever click this button. Why would you do that to me? I don't want to focus. I want to hang out. If you click it, I'll code for a whole minute. Isn't that crazy? Kesha stream? It's a cool guy. Did I say Kesha? I meant Kesha Vox. If I said Kesha, that's funnier. Focus for 1 minute. Okay. All right. Put a minute on the clock. Google stopwatch. Here we go. One timer. 1 minute. I don't know what this sounds like when it breaks, but this for you? 60 whole seconds. What were we working on? Changing the money. Okay, one thing I wanted to change with the money text is having like a smooth in effect. So I'm gonna give at export var smooth in time. Something like, I think 0.1 is enough. So here, if we update the text, we need a variable that says is text smoothing. Starts as false. Here we say that it's true. And in process, if is text smoothing, for current smooth time equals 0. I don't have the timer up on the left hand side of the screen. Hang on. You pull that back up. Where'd my timer go? Here it is. 8 seconds. Oh god. All right. Smooth time here. Okay. If text is smoothing, then current smooth time. That's a horrible noise. What the hell? Why? Oh god. Oh. Why does it beep like that, dude? Was that as loud for you as it was for me? Jesus, man. Yeah, 60 whole seconds. That's the unbridled concentration of my brain for 60 whole seconds. Isn't that crazy? Crazy what the human mind can do. Ketchup stream? Pog. Refund the 2 seconds you're distracted with the timer? You're right. Okay, hang on. I need a timer that doesn't sound as harsh, though. You were AFK? It's back. What's going on? Oh, just code stuff. You hate Minecraft? Why do you hate Minecraft? Minecraft is sick. On the next redeem, I'll add 2 extra seconds. What's like a better way of making a timer? Twitch on screen timer. Spawn, and there was a monument right there. Yeah, people are going crazy at spawn. Can I create an overlay? That song's too chill. If we have chill songs today, I'm gonna go to sleep. So, hype songs only today. Them's the rules. How do you? Yeah, maybe like create an overlay or something. Thoughts? Extra channel points? 20k for 10 minutes of extra streaming? I guess see the conversation that's going on in the Discord right now. I'm gonna show you the worst idea I've ever had. Okay? We were talking about this yesterday. Here it is. The worst idea I've ever had. Maybe I might start streaming Tuesdays too. It's only one more day. What could possibly go wrong? My voice can handle it, dude. It'll be fine. No worries. Be for it, dude. I saw that meme on Twitter and I was like, I think this will hit everyone I've ever talked to. Oh, in single player. Oh shit. Wait, what is a monument in what are monuments in Minecraft? Like that ocean monument? At spawn? That's crazy. That also sucks. Doesn't it give you like mining fatigue or something? That's a bummer. What? It's a freaking ocean monument right at spawn? What the hell? That's rough, man. What happens if someone redeems a focus during a focus? I put it on a 5-minute cooldown, so you're not allowed to do that. I could double focus. Do you want me to add more time? Do you want me to have a bigger redeem for more time? Edit a picture? That's not too bad. You don't have the mining fatigue. I think you're chilling. I think you just go get some sponges, bro. You're big chilling. No worries. Maybe I do 2 minutes. Maybe 1 minute isn't enough. 120k is an extra 1 hour of streaming. I will not be able to talk the next day. It'll be over for me, dude. That will be the last stream I ever do. And after that, there was no more Sky Gray. Focus is out of stock. We can't redeem it at ATM. Hey, Toast. Hey, Grook. How's it going? Welcome, welcome. Do you want me to up it? I can up it. I can... Klaxon? How's it going, dude? Are you streaming later, Klaxon? You gonna be online later? I'm asking because, you know, I'm fresh out of stock of people to raid. You feel me? You'd be doing me a huge favor if you could help me out, you know? Nah, don't feel pressured. You want me to up it? Here. Nothing's more fun than editing the stream on stream, so let me just open this real quick. How do you even get to the reward things? I don't remember now. Community, I think? Viewer rewards, viewer reward. Alright. Let's have a discussion as a group. Class discussion. Do we want this to be different? Is 1 minute not enough? Tell me what you want. I want to make you guys happy. That's all I'm here for. Do you want more thing, more time? Less thing, less time? 1k per minute? Okay. I'm cool with 1k per minute, and I won't have a cooldown. So we can stack it. 1? Oh god, that's not good. Give me head pats? Aw. Wait. I don't have a head pat thing in the VTuber studio. Dang it. I'll set one up for here. I'll add that to the list. Where's the stream upgrades? Stream upgrades. Head pat redeem. Oh, water redeem too. Yeah? Water redeem. Probs. Focus for 1 minute. All right. 1 minute on the clock. I need a better timer. Cool. Stopwatch. How about stopwatch? That way it won't beep at me like a maniac. All right. We're back to the text. We're doing smoothing in. So when we do this, we say is text smoothing. We set the current smooth time remaining equal to the maximum, like that. I'm going to rename this to smooth time remaining. If it is smoothing, minus equals delta, the amount of frames we've passed. Current smooth time remaining. If it's less than equal to 0, then we're done. Text smoothing equals false. Otherwise, we need to update text smooth text. What do I call this? I think that's probably close. Yeah, because update text is already being used like as a macro thing to update text, or we could have this be the private function or smooth in text. That's probably close. Yeah, that's 1 minute. Oh, plus 2 seconds. Sorry, I forgot to add the 2 seconds from last time. Man, it hurts me to do that. I feel like I don't get to talk to you. My heart, it's so lonely in the coding world, man. Oh, I need to finish adjusting the cooldowns so that you can spam these. You could get me to focus for like 20 whole seconds at a time, you know? Cooldown? There's no cooldown. No cooldown. You can do this forever now. The power is yours. Congratulations. Won't redeem that anymore? It's kind of boring. Damn. That's what I was worried about, you know? I don't want to be boring. That's the worst thing that you could be on this platform. I can't believe you told me like that. Okay. I do like it though, because like I feel like this game that we're building right now, we haven't gotten anything done. It's been like 3 days, we've done nothing. But who cares? Because the Wild Gem is coming up. We're gonna switch to the Wild Gem anyways, if we're being honest. Like, you know. I'll actually pass this smooth time remaining in. Basically what I want to do here is, what I mean by like smoothing the text in is like, instead of just adding the number to the text where it's at right now, so like let's say you get $5, right? Instead of just going from 0 to 5, you go from like 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up in some certain time frame. So if it's 1/10 of a second, it'll take that 1/10 to smoothly go up to the number. It just looks nicer than just statically like going up. Plus it lets you pile on like a lot more like things at once. So like if you got $5 from something and $10 from another thing and $20 from another thing, it's not as janky. Like it smooths into the total amount. It doesn't just look like it's jumping all over the place. 60k for an hour of focus? Don't. Ooh, I don't know if I could do that. 10 to save the code? I'm cool with that actually. Implementing the Twitch integrated throwing system. Stop neglecting it like my past uni papers. Okay. I'm sorry. I haven't had a lot of time lately. I'll do it. I'll do it today. I'll do it after stream. I won't make a short today. I'll do the Twitch integrated throwing system. Okay, I will let you throw a bear at my face starting tomorrow. But for this, actually, I think I'm actually gonna replace all this. I just thought about it because this text only controls. You want to see guys Twitch integrated throwing system? Why, of course. It's like 15 minutes, 1 hour max to get it to work. Yeah, it's not hard. I looked at the like way to do it. I just need to actually hook everything up. I literally just have like cutting the shorts already takes like probably an hour-ish per, and then like after that I usually like study some Japanese or something. So I literally have like no time to do it. My high score of how long I can use only prototype art? My high score is now 3 days. I can't bear to look at prototyping art. I'd make a whole game out of like the placeholder buttons, dude, if I could. I don't want this here. This text should only control updating the actual text. So I'm gonna do the smoothing thing in the class that calls this. So I'm actually gonna do this in the main. This is the thing that can actually call the. There's money control. This is the UI control though, not like an actual controller. So I think I'm gonna do it in main. Yeah. Okay. Export var money smooth in time equals. So it's just category to hot tubs? Hot tub development. You have to code while you're in the hot tub. No, knows that kind of stream. I'll do anything for 6 viewers. I'm gonna level with you. If that's what you want from me, I'll be that streamer. Then a video of a basic inventory system I made and show your stuff. Ooh, I wanna see. See? Where's the Toast Islands? Oh yeah, I saw this yesterday. You posted this yesterday. Good. Look at this. You ready? Pick some stuff up. Got an inventory to put it in. Where else? That looks like the best place. I'd put my stuff there. That's great. That's sick, dude. Is it just UI stuff, or is it actually like hold the inventory? Trying to figure out what type of inventory system I want. Skyrim, RuneScape, or Valheim. I would shy away from Skyrim. Skyrim, out of those three, is the only one that I really don't like. Skyrim's inventory is just like reading an almanac every time I hit a button, dude. I'm like in the middle of fighting a dragon or like fighting an end boss or whatever, and I'm literally just scrolling through like, where did I shout? No, it's no, that one's not. I'm just reading all of this shit. It's literally just a list, yeah. It's rough. It's a proper inventory. Wow, nice. Loves going through hundreds of items, literally. I got to the point in Skyrim where like I didn't want to pick a lot of stuff up because it would just make like shopping and menuing and all that crap unbearable. And like I get to my house and I was trying to like keep things organized with a bunch of different chests that held a bunch of different items, and I just could never find anything in my own house. It was just miserable, dude. It's fine when you have like 10 things, right? But as soon as you get like X amount of it, it's just ridiculous. Want to see a game that's basically Excel Simulator? Absolutely. Some of my favorite games are Excel Simulator. Like spending solid 2 minutes scrolling through the items of the list. I can put my arrow in Tears of the Kingdom. It didn't feel too bad in Breath of the Wild, but that's because there was pictures. And I feel like my brain can do pictures a lot faster than it can do like just literally reading words. It's called Aurora 4X. Aurora 4X. I might make our first version of this game literally just the spreadsheet. Oh, I have seen this game. Where? I think I haven't played it, but I watched my friend play it, I think. Eve. There's a reason I'm not allowed to play that game, dude. Yeah, I remember this. My friend played it for a while. I haven't played it. Looks cool. The truth is out there. You literally just... It's literally like the... Shoot, what's that game? Stellaris. It's like the Stellaris traversal mechanics. That's cool. Part of the, like, one of the things I wanted to do for a game like the one I'm building right now is like going to different planets and mining different planets, but like it didn't have as cohesive as a theme for me, IMO. I don't know. Only played Skyrim once, played it for 16 hours, is probably one of my first all-nighters. Dude, Skyrim when it came out, I was like 14, I think? 14? 4X? Usually 4X is like a 4X type game, so it's like expand, exterminate, explore, evolve, I think is the fourth one. No, that doesn't have an X in it. But it's like Civ type games. Yeah, Stellaris slaps, dude. When did Skyrim come? But my buddy and I, yeah, 2011, so I was 13 years younger. I was 14, dude, I got that off the dome. Let's get it. Yeah, I was about 14 when it came out. My friend and I built a blanket fort. Like, here, we're already getting into the, yeah. So he had a TV in his parents' basement because we were 14. We didn't have, we unfortunately didn't own a house. We had the TV, and then we put like pillars up like this, and we made like a blanket fort above the TV. And he played on the TV, and I had my laptop, and we played Skyrim together for like 20 hours, like something just obscenely unhealthy. It was just, this is like a core memory for me. And he was doing all the like the rogue stuff, and I was doing all the mage stuff. So it was just like, we were just like talking, hanging out, playing the game. At some point, he also had a laptop, so we put the Pokemon movies on. So it was just complete brain rot, dude. I was playing Skyrim, I could watch my friend play Skyrim, and if we got bored of these two things, we watched the Pokemon movie for a little bit. 10 out of 10, would have that experience again. Explore, expand, exploit, exterminate. There we go. Yeah, it's exploit. You with BL2? What's BL2? I don't know what that is. Borderlands 2? I'm glad I'm glad it was only Skyrim that hooked into my brain like that, because I think if I did it again at my age, I'd get like a blood clot and die or something. We didn't eat, we didn't sleep, we just played Skyrim. It was amazing. Wish I could still have those experiences today. I found out that you still can. There's just usually more alcohol involved now. One of my buddies in Texas, when I lived in Texas, we had like a LAN party as like 24-year-olds. It was the same thing. We just drank beer instead of drinking like Mountain Dew, you know? Stayed up all night playing Minecraft and watching movies. It was awesome. LAN parties are sick. Can we have text input onto focus for a minute to tell you what to focus on? That's interesting, actually. Yeah, like what you actually want to, what feature of the game. I think I need to integrate that with like the Asana board when I make the Asana board part of this. And then you can like literally pick like work on this task specifically. Although that might lead me into situations where I'm like working on things that don't fit together as far as the game goes, but I think that's fine. Whatever. I just like coding, dude. So in a month when my best friend comes back from traveling, we'll do exactly that. Never had any alcohol when hanging out together. It's not a requirement. Like I don't drink now. It's probably been 3 or 4 years since I've had a drink. It might have been that night since I've had a drink. You don't need it. I was just being silly. It's still fun. Still fun. I'm excited for you. Recreating those nights, 10 out of 10, dude. Conveyor system I mentioned in the Discord yesterday. I just now realized I can make a tile set system and find adjacent conveyors that way. Wait, what? Tile systems support that in like Godot natively? What? I've never done 3D tile sets. That seems really tricky. Are the conveyor belts gonna have different layers to them too, or is it all just flat? Finish the stories in 12 hours, spend an extra 24 hours hunting legendaries? Oh, that's so sick, dude. I should play Borderlands too. We should add that to the list. I'm so excited. That games list is growing out of control rapidly. 2D tile sets are relatively easy depending. Oh. I mean, the 2D ones are already, like, pretty easy, as is. Okay, so I need something here that's, like, update money. And this is the money delta. So we're gonna need something worth this, like, what? We need something that is, like, our actual amount of money, and then the amount that's currently being displayed. So we need, I'll call our actual just money. Display money. And then we need the delta. So var money delta. So when we update the money, oh, we can't use money delta. Amount. Why not use the same value for both, converting it to a string when needed? So the idea here is these two are going to have different values in them. Let me show you what I mean. So let's say your current amount of money is $150, and congrats, you just sold a thing. You get $15. Your actual money should instantly go up to 165, but on the display, it should go 151 to 152 to 153, like really, really quickly, to give you that like you see the stopwatch? You see how this number back here is like going up frame after frame after frame? This looks cooler than if it was literally just like 2. So I'm trying to get it to do that like smoothing in like kind of value here. Need to redeem my idea to make Sky tell a story from his IT days. I was trying to think of more stories. I have a ton of them, but it's hard for me to not like, it's hard for me to pull them out of nothing. I need like something to work with. So if someone be like, whoa, if you're just like, tell me a story, I'm like, yeah, nothing. But if you're like, tell me the worst experience you've ever had, I'm like, I got you, bro. I need like a prompt lead in. Yeah, I got several of those in the tank, dude. Focus 1 whole minute. All right. Okay, here we go. Gonna figure this thing out. Reset. Go. All right. I need this to be on the screen somewhere. Let me do this, and then grab this guy, and I'll reset for you. All right. Race is on. Okay, so update money, the amount. So our actual money amount plus equals the amount here, right? Then we calculate the delta between these two things. So money delta equals the money that we have minus the money that's displayed. In other words, the difference between these two things. And then we need to set a flag saying smooth in the money. So we also need a flag here. So var smooth in, or is money smoothing in? Is money smoothing in, like that. So we set this to be true. Then in the process frame, we're gonna just call a function here, check and check smooth. We can just call this directly actually. So if another redeem, okay, I go to 2 minutes. So if is money is smoothing in, this needs to start as false as well. If it is smoothing in, then we call the function smooth in money. One other thing we need is the variable again to hold the smooth in time remaining. Smooth in time remaining equals 0. This function, we also need to set this to be equal to the max 3 minutes. Okay, we go to 4 minutes. Yeesh. We'll be doing this all day. I want to respond to chat, but I'm not allowed. All right, so smooth in money, this is going to call a function here. We're going to pass delta along. If I finish this and test it, I will count that as 5 minutes. Okay, we go to 5 minutes. I'll just keep going. So here we need to check the smooth in time remaining and divide that by the delta? No, it should be the ratio of the amount of time remaining multiplied by the delta and add that back in to make the, no, hang on. 7 minutes. Okay, we go to 7 minutes. Y'all are relentless. Okay, so in this function, we have the amount of frames that have passed. That's delta. Delta equals frames. We have the amount that we have to actually get to. That's the money delta, right? What did I call that? Money delta. 8 minutes. Okay, 8 minutes. It's gonna be a whole stream. So this is the delta. We need to multiply this amount by, is it the frames? It's the amount of time remaining divided by the frames, yeah? Because we're gonna subtract, yes, okay. It's the amount of time remaining. Amount remain divided by the amount of frames that have passed. That's the last update, like this. So if there's 100 frames remaining and we just passed 5 frames, that equals 20. That's wrong. It should equal the opposite of 20. It's passed over amount remaining. Passed over amount remaining. So that way if we have 100 frames, so we've passed 5 frames, we have 100 frames remaining. We should add up our thing by 0.2 of the delta. And then, and the next frame, we're going to take 5 frames away, so we'll have passed 5 frames again, we have 95. Nope, that doesn't work either. 10 minutes? Okay, go on. How to get the time remaining? The time is set here, so it's a ratio of... Oh, you're so right for that, hang on. It's just the ratio of this over the time remaining, and then you subtract from this. Yeah. Delta ratio, so var delta ratio equals this time remaining divided by this. Is it 1 minus this? So it's... okay, hang on. So it's the amount of... At the beginning of the thing, we're gonna have... Yeah, it's smooth in time minus this. Yeah. Okay. This is so stressful, dude. I can't talk to anybody. Basically, it's the total amount of time divided by the amount of time that we have left. So at the start, it's going to be, let's just make it 1 second, for example. It's 1 second minus 1 second divided by 1 second. That equals 0. In other words, add 0 of the like delta slice. It's 11 minutes? Okay, I keep going. In other words, add 0, the ratio of 0 to our like money text. If it's, let's say we're halfway done, so it's 0.5. 1 minus 0.5, that equals 0.5 over 1. So we should multiply this by the delta, and our text is now the original amount plus half the delta. Yeah, okay. So our money text equals... Oh, we need the original amount. Shoot. We can't just use the amount that it is right now. Unless we do the slicing before we enter the function. That could work, actually. I think it's easier to do original amount plus the delta every time. I'll update the money text to be that. Yeah, okay. Var... call it breakpoint for now because I don't know what to call it. So money plus equals amount, money breakpoint equals the previous amount. So like this equals money. Okay, hang on. Where's my laptop? I wrote this code already in the other game. I'm just stealing it. This is too complicated for my little brain. Godot. Bear with me. It's in the game I was talking about on the short today. So yeah, I've already done this. Gee, what do I call it? Camisade. Yeah. Small sky? I'm a little tiny. I was grabbing my laptop. Let me grab the... Isn't it cool how I'm doing things that you can't even see on screen right now? Isn't that so cool? I'm such a good content creator. Score manager, here we go. And let me just grab my own code. Yep. We just do, let's see, var current money equals money. Money delta equals current money minus... Oh, what have I done? Hold up. Another one for reading chat, 12 minutes total? Okay, I only have 5 minutes left and then I can talk to everybody. So current... I need current money? Yeah, just give me all this. Current money I need var money delta. I need var, so what is this? Display money? Like that. Update money here. We go current money equals new money. Oh, update, this is just the new money. Yeah. Current money is that. Money delta equals current money minus display money, and update money display equals true. And then, all right, here's where the math comes in. You ready? Display money equals display money plus money delta times time delta. What the hell is time delta? Man, whoever wrote this code needed to comment their stuff a little bit better. Display money equals min. Display money current money. Dude, this code is whack. Display money equals current money, and we're done. Display equals false. Yeah. Okay, there's a lot of things that need to be updated here. Give point, wait, it was me. I hate that. Okay. And delta is just the delta. Okay, cool. I got there. Whew. Sheesh. All right. 13 minutes. I need to update this thing. I want to talk to you guys. This is horrible. This needs to be changed to use the new function. Let me think about what this actually does. So first of all, this is saying for updating the money, it's literally like the new amount. So we need to update like the current amount elsewhere. But basically this thing is when we get a new thing. So like, let's say again, we're at $150. We go to 165. Our current money immediately becomes that amount. That makes sense. The delta we have is the amount that we currently have minus the amount that we're currently displaying. So this holds the value that we're currently displaying, as in the $150 that we had previously. And we also set this variable here, which we need to flag to be false. In other words, we also set a flag saying, hey, these two things are no longer in alignment, so we need to update them. And here we say if update money display equals true. Yeah, we don't need equals true. Then we smooth in the money, and we do this as a function of delta. What's wrong with this? It's about to else? Why? You don't need an else. Why do you need an else? What? Did I forget syntax? What? How do you write an if? Are you gonna be happy if I do this? But you don't need this. What? I'm missing something really dumb. You know what? It's gonna be a dumb Google, but I'm doing it. Godot if statement. I'm missing something really stupid. That's what I do. What? Oh, Jesus Christ, there's a... Dude, my brain legit, it's cooking. Hey, Tuchoy, thanks for the follow. My brain, it's over, dude. I gotta put the timer back up. I'm free in 1 minute. I can talk to people in 1 minute. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so now we're saying if we need to update, we smooth it in. To smooth it in, we take the display of what we have right now. We add in the delta times the time delta times 2. I have no idea why this is here. I'm a level with you. Not a clue. But it works for my old code, so I'm just gonna assume it also works for this code. Then we just take the minimum between the display and the current, because we can't, like, there's a chance, depending on how this is rounded, that the display will go above by like $1 or $2, right? Because we're doing some like math here of the delta, the money delta times delta. Say 100 frames passes, right? It wouldn't make sense to say we have $167 and then go back down. So it forces the min between the two. And then it says, if we got there, then we don't need to update the money display anymore. And I think we got there, and it's 12 minutes exactly. So now let's test it. Also, Juba, thanks for the congrats on the game release. It was 13 minutes? Okay, I keep going. Okay. No, okay. I trust you guys. I trust. I'm gonna have a thing here that's going to current money. So we also need a value that just holds the money. So bar money. And I'm gonna say money plus equals 1 plus equals 100. Sure. And I'm gonna say update money. And the new money is 100. And this needs to make a call to also update. So update money text like that. And this can go right here. Function update money text. This needs this thing. I think it has a %, so I should be able to get to it directly. I can say this, I think. Like that. That's shouldn't have to do this. Whatever. Dot. What's the function on this? I don't remember now. Update text. Update text. And it should be the display money. Like that. What are you mad about? Oh. Okay, so now if I hit play, this money text should just go. Oh, it crashed. Oh, right. We need to start with something. Now if I hit play, it crashed again. Current money equals new money. Current money minus, oh, display money is also 0 at the start of the game. Money delta is 0. This is also 0. 0, 0, 0, 0. 0, 0. Yay! Number go up. We did it. Okay. Whew. Yeah, I gave an extra 51 seconds. But yeah, also it needs to truncate the this needs to be truncated because I don't want extra random numbers going on. I have to focus again. All right, I'm keeping my 51, so I'll focus for 9 seconds. Then I'm done. Okay, we need to truncate this display here. This is probably easier to use a string for, and we can do it in this update. Scammed? I'm sorry. That's what I get for. All right, fine. I'll go to 15. 16. Okay. I'm making this more expensive. I'm making it more expensive after this. It's going to 2,000. Y'all are gremlins. Okay. Here, we need to truncate this. Okay, so to truncate, we're going to say, we're turning this into a string anyways, so why don't we just do it here? Money string equals this. And then here we just truncate, so dot, oh, var. How do you truncate a string? Because I want to do the thing in Python where you do dot find and then just take to the first like index. 17 now? Jesus Christ, okay, 2 minutes. I'm talking, and then I'm coming back to talk to everybody. Godot truncate string Godot engine. Yeah, there should be a way to spot, like, find the first instance of something and return everything up until that. Fine, maybe slice, get slice. Delimiter returns the substring at index slice, returns the original string. Delimiter does not encrypt the string, returns empty string. Slice does not exist. Yeah, perfect. Okay. We can do dot get slice, and we just do that. So dot get slice. We're gonna slice at the period, and we're gonna return the 0. It should be the 0 index of the slice. But identifier after dot for attribute access. Do I have to wait? This is like for sure a string though, guy, yeah? Ooh, okay, I'll do it. Oh, it's this line. Okay. Now it should only be integers? Nice. Look at that. That's so nice. That feels idle gaming, yeah? That feels like I'm going up quite well. Look how much money we're making. It's like we're getting 100 every frame or something. It's wild. Cool. That's the money. Next we need navigation screen. I'm gonna wait, actually. I'm gonna do this last. I'm gonna do inventory screen next. Prefab buttons, I'll prefab them later too. Scrolling menu, I'll prefab that later. Prefab this. I'm literally, for our first pass, I'm just gonna put the inventory like literally right here. Just that's where it's home. That's where it lives. It's happy there. Where's my timer? Am I free yet? It's not at 18 minutes, right? No one redeemed it. I'm not allowed to look and interact with you people, so I don't know what is that, right? I'm changing it right now. This is torturous. I can't do this anymore. I need to be a free man. I'll pause this. I'm gonna pause it. I will fulfill my commitments, but I am changing the redeem amount. Channel points. This is here for you. Customize manage rewards. Yeah. No. 2,000 now. 2,000. It's expensive. Gotta go to 20 minutes? God, we might actually make a game today. This is miserable. Okay, here we go. Alright, so first thing we need is copper. And did we already do the menu, the inventory delta? No, we set the hook, but we actually haven't done it yet. So next thing we're doing is the following. Inventory screen. So in a perfect world, this is what the inventory screen looks like. It's a pop-up menu, so you still have the base game. At the top, you'll still have like your money, right? Actually, this is already on Excalibur, right? We already did this? Where is it? This one. This is what the inventory screen needs to look like. So let's make this box first, and then we'll prefab this object. That way we can have the amount and like the name. This will have an icon here, but I don't have an icon for this yet. We can maybe go grab a placeholder icon. Maybe perhaps that works. We can just leave a hook for it for now. Okay, so we need to prefab this. The other thing we need to do is something similar to the thing we did last time, where like all of these need to be scientific integers. So maybe we actually make that class first. I think we make that class first. Yeah. Okay. We make that, and actually I can change the money to be a scientific integer too. Okay. Cool. So we need a script for that. Abstract classes, no, scripts. Yeah, new scripts. Create new script. I call it. Can I just take my old one actually? It's in the other project. Yeah, I'm just gonna do that. Let's see. Projects. It was factative, godot project, assets, scripts, scientific integer. Yeah, give me that. This is mine. Whoa, reusing code. Incredible. Paste it in. No? Can I? I'm not just allowed to do that? Why? Copy? Okay. I'll do it by hand, whatever. That's what you really want from me. Assets, scripts, Control V, scientific integer. This looks like this. So it has like this prefix list, and it already does all of the value, like this stringifying all of the value. Yeah. Yeah. Cool. Okay, let's make the money text this integer. We go to main. Money. Display money actually needs to be a scientific integer. Is that going to break everything? Yes. Okay, something I need to implement on the integer class is integer addition. I need to overload that. I don't know how to overload in Godot. Godot overload addition operator. I know how to do it in Python, but class operator overloading. Yeah. Okay. AB operator plus. Okay. So we can go here. We say function. No, it's operator. So what? AB. What? Math operators can't be. What? Math operators can't be overloaded in GDScript. This language sucks, bro. What? I feel like that's. I don't know. I feel like that's actually like a really important thing to have in a language, no? Also, I'm free, dude. Oh, I'm back. Yeah, 20 focus for 1 whole minute. Okay, how many chat messages did I miss? I can't go. Look at how great of a person Keshivox is. Look at this. Don't bully. Don't be mean. And yet, y'all, we're mean. Nah, I'm just kidding. We got some good stuff done. No worries. Oh man, welcome back. Thank you. I missed you all. You wish you had another redeem? It's expensive now. Yeah, inflation be hitting different, dude. Don't trouble Sky. I don't know what you guys are doing with him. First time he's not replying to any chat. Isn't it horrible? I missed you guys so much. My heart, it hurt. Every time I saw So I have my chat like, you can't see it because I'm only streaming one screen, but it's literally like right to the left. So that way, if someone pops something up, like it catches the corner of my eye. And I kept seeing it, and I couldn't do anything. This redeem sucks, dude. Worst thing I've ever made. So I can't believe you can't overload addition. That really sucks. The nice thing though is this has a 2-string, which I think gets used as string correctly. Which also means we actually don't need this. We can just do this. We can do string like this. It'll automatically fix itself. You nice, nice try there, guy. That's not how it works. Time to switch to C# for one script. See, I would think about it, but it actually wouldn't work because it wouldn't overload across all of the addition operators. Because it, like, the thing that sucks about this is this, right? This is my display money. It's going to be a scientific integer. This addition thing is being called via GD script. So I'd have to recompile this whole function, not in GD script, for every time I want to use a non-scientific integer. So it sucks. It's not really going to work. What you can do instead, and what I did in a lot of my other project, was doing this. Because this is totally fine. You're allowed to do this. Because there's an internal value for the scientific integer. So this is completely allowed. I guess we'll just do it this way for everything. It just kind of sucks. And also, when you create this, you have to do, you have to set, like, well, first we have to import the thing. How do you import abstract or import classes? I again have done this previously in another project. I'm just gonna go look. I don't remember. Yeah, honestly, like, this is quite unfortunate. I feel like this is the first instance of me like considering not using GD script, because we're gonna use this number everywhere, and I really don't have to make the call like in every single thing. Dang, I don't understand why that wouldn't be something that comes automatically with the language. But maybe GD4 has it. Maybe I'm giving up too easily. Overwrite addition operator GD4. Hopefully. Oh, I'd need to do GD4 this up. GD4 overwrite addition. Because this maybe, hopefully. Redeemed, give Sky lots of love and hopes 69 420. Aww. Thank you. That's so nice of you. I also low-key feel like I killed like I don't want to do too many of the redeems where I'm like just coding in a row, because I feel like I kill interaction a little bit now that I'm thinking about it. Like, I want to scroll up and reply to literally everything you guys were typing, but then like that's gonna take another like 20 minutes. I don't know. I think it's fine. I made it more expensive now, and also I got rid of all of Toast channel points, so surely we should be okay. Having the time of your lives. Okay, I believe you. I feel like I'm like the teacher in the classroom and they have to do something like talk about yourself. It's self-study time, you know? Can you do like vector addition and subtraction? Redeem focus on chat for 1 minute? Oh, that's my default state, dude. 1 hour work done in 20 minutes? I can tell I was cooking because I messed up syntax on an if statement. That's when you might be schmoving a little too fast, you know? Yeah, what? Why are they allowed to do it and I'm not allowed to do it? Look, vector math works just fine. What the hell? Why aren't I allowed to do that? Can I look at maybe the vector, hang on. GD4 vector 2. Maybe this has a separate way of overloading that function? Wait. 2 angle, there's slurp, which is so funny. You need to learn vector? Yeah, here we go. Wait. Vector operator plus vector 2. We can do it. I can teach you vectors. What do you want to know? I studied a ton of vectors in school. Redeem focus for 1 whole minute for 2000? That's an awfully suspicious looking message there, Toast. I don't know if I believe you. I must have changed the UI on me. That's so strange. Can we do this? Can we do this is how vector does it. So can we do this? So not vector 2, obviously it needs to be scientific integer. Scientific integer operator plus. Is this allowed? And then the other thing is an int value? No? Unexpected identifier in class body. Why are they allowed to do it and I'm not? Please teach us game dev math. Use a tile set. That's game dev math. There's a mod called PSI in Minecraft. It uses vectors. Is it like pounds per square inch? What's PSI? Is it PSI mod Minecraft. What is this? A spell about... It's a... What? Hang on a minute. Do you see it? Do you see? Is that a Toho reference? Is this a Toho reference, my guy? Oh, it's a book about magic spells and it's named after the magic spell character from Toho. Man, what are the odds on that one? That's so crazy. What a coinky dink. Can I just make a global function, a global addition function and use that? Yeah, but then I wouldn't be able to do, well, first of all, actually, I don't know if you can, because it looks like you're locked out of like identifying or overloading operators. But even if I could, I don't know if it would work, because then I'd have to overload that and like separate it out based on which case of things you're adding. I don't know if that makes things easier. Minecraft Toho hijack? Where's the image? That's it. Just the stream now. We've been hijacked. Toho hijack, lol. Boy, you have a mod for me? Also, boy, you have an announcement for me? Oh, yeah? What is this? Magical tech spell programming mod. That's a lot of words. Magical tech spell programming mod. This is not helpful to me. Oh. Inspired by... Interesting. Don't worry if that doesn't make any sense. Okay. The core of size system where you create action sequences to be executed in the world. The system is followed by a leveling system containing in-game documentation and tutorials of the various concepts and pieces you'll get. The mod makes use of basic mathematical concepts such as vectors in its system, which allow for great flexibility on what spells... What? Eh? This isn't magic. This is just Minecraft code. Hey. Le Globi? Volga? I don't know how to say that, but thank you for the follow. I appreciate it. Look up Toho Little Maid. Toho Little Maid. Minecraft. What is this? Eh? Does the game alone feel too boring and monotonous? No. Why not add some helpers to enrich your game? Yes. Is this Pixel Roma? What's Pixel Roma? Dude, what's Pixel Roma? I'll come back to this. I'm gonna look up the Toho mod first. It just adds a little maid to your game. It just adds. You just have Reimu follow you around. Eh? Rich maid model and interesting cushion model. What is that word doing in that set? What does that mean? What is a cushion model? Highly customizable maid and cushion models can be easily created through the software block bench. Decorative items specifically designed for the maid can make more intelligent and Okay. Huh. A brand new creature. The creature can help you plant farmland, can help you fight, and help you deal with some mechanical mountains. Huh. That's kind of neat. I normally just trap villagers in, like, increasingly worse conditions to get them to farm for me. You guys know how villager farming works? I'll paint you a picture. It's paint time. So a villager farm works based on the following interaction. If you're a villager and you see someone is starving, like another villager, this is my excellent villager. If this is villager 1. If he sees another villager that's starving and they have bread in their inventory, they will attempt to give the other villager bread. Isn't that nice of them? Isn't that so kind? What a great society. They're like, hey guy, you're starving? Have some food, right? So here's how villager farm works. Is you trap this man in a box and only his head is visible. This guy is like, hey, oh my god, the guy in the box, he's starving. Let's go give him some food. How noble. And then what you do is you put a hopper right here to catch all the bread. And then you take all the bread. Except by bread, I mean like carrots or something. So he's like, oh my god, you're starving. I just farmed these carrots. Please, take them. And he throws them. And like a good capitalist, you immediately yoink them, take them into the hopper, and you get them. And then you know what you do? You take them, and you sell them back to the guy. Infinite money, dude. It's genius. I love capitalism. You get a spell to affect what you're looking at. You need to program a raycast to then see what you're looking at and then send the data to the spell. I swear to God, it would be easier to just write code like in command block to do whatever you want. That is absurd. American healthcare system. Oh God. The cut. It's too deep. It hurts. You just shove them in a pit. That's how you make more of them. And then you give them some bread and all of a sudden more villagers pop out. But you got to keep the breeding stock away from the working stock. So when they're a little kid, what you do is you take, as soon as they're born, you take them away from their parents and then go put them in a box until they're grown up. And then once they're grown up, then you put them to work. Isn't life beautiful? The circle of life. So heartwarming to see. What are we doing? Explain? I was explaining Minecraft farming mechanics. No, we're currently making a game. I'm trying to get a function overload in Godot to work, but it doesn't let you do it for some reason. It's horrible. It makes me so sad. You never got to this point in Minecraft? Never had to do forced hard labor? It's fun. Yeah. It's a good way to do like AFK farming. So like you're hard at work because you yearn for the mines, and then you come back up and you have like 17 stacks of carrots and you sell them back to the villagers, and now you have like a ton of money. You were busy working in the mines all day, now you're rich. The children yearns for the mine. When they make a mod that lets villager children mine, I will be the first one to sign up. They're happy like that. They get to look at cool rocks. They get to find shiny things. Kids love shiny things, dude. It's everybody wins. You get a little bit of coal in your lungs, but that doesn't kill anybody. It's fine. I just be killing anything that moves. Oh God, Base Boy, do you do you kill the villagers, Base Boy? You too. Sounds like a great mod, right? It'd be so efficient. Think about it. Their little tiny hands would be able to like get into smaller spaces. I don't know why no one's ever thought of this. I'm a genius, dude. You want to ask how Nestle gets their chocolate? Oh no. Does it move? If so, yes. Oh, okay, man. Well, that explains all the like abandoned villager towns we found. What are we gonna do? Wait around till they attack us? Fortune favors the bold. Speaking of villagers, I always thought it was pretty cute that baby villagers are programmed to jump on beds. Yeah, me too. That's how you get them to separate from their parents. You put a bed in a different room. It's like it's like a offering kids candy, you know? You're like, hey, come look at this nice fresh bed over here. You could come jump on. And then they go to jump on it, and you just like use a piston to shove them into the box. You're like, cool. Now you sit here till you're grown up. Then off to the camps with you. Yay! Oh no! Enemy of efficiency, ethics. Exactly. Of efficacy. Sorry. Yeah. Yeah. Do you want to make money or do you want to be ethical? Huh? Huh? Yeah, maybe shouldn't have said camps. That was bad. My bad. Off to the fun job place, fun job time. Get to do it forever. Yay! Shareholders ain't gonna make themselves value themselves. No truer words have ever been said. They're just hiking. Yeah. They're just, look, I'm not telling them to collect the carrots on the farm. They just do it. That's all they know. It's just camping. It's camping with friends. You're just helping me out. I'm gonna stop trying to make my game seem ethical. Work, you peasant toast. Toast, I actually do enjoy like jokes aside, Minecraft is just kind of simple and it's like work conditions, but like I like how in Dwarf Fortress and stuff, like keeping people happy actually has benefits, and like having people be unhappy has negative things, right? Because it gives you like extra things to design the game around. So like in Dwarf Fortress, if your dwarves are unhappy, they'll stop working and start like fist fighting each other, right? But if they're happy, then they'll work faster and produce like better stuff. So there's actually incentive to making like better beer and like better places for them to sleep and better rooms and like better places to hang out and a better tavern, right? So you can't just be like completely focused on being like the most productive thing ever, you have to balance more than one like vertical at the same time. I actually really enjoy that mechanic. But Minecraft, it's like they're just little idiot squares, dude. You just make them do whatever. Yeah. Is it weird this making you want to play Minecraft? No, dude, Minecraft is sick. I think I've told you guys before how I play Minecraft though. I put on like an I put on a Dematory album. There's specifically like the entire discography of Dematory, and I go to the mines and I just mine for like 12 hours straight. It's sick, dude. I come out the other end like completely refreshed. If I'm burning out or something, I just need like a good 12-hour mining sesh. Like that one person made the entirety of Dwarf Fortress insane. I'm pretty sure it was 2 people, yeah? Dwarf Fortress created. I thought it was 2 for Bay 12. I thought it was like brothers or something. Where can I? Yeah, where's like about Bay 12? Is it here? Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it was. Look, I'm just gonna go to images, and if there's 2 people, I'm right, and if there isn't, then I'm right. Yeah, it's 2 people. See, I was right the whole time. Yeah, I think they're like brothers or something. I don't remember. This game is sick though. If you guys haven't played Dwarf Fortress, this is what it used to look like. This is what it looks like now. This game is goated. I think it's what inspired RimWorld too. So if you guys like RimWorld, then this game is so sick. My birthday last year, I bought myself a bottle of or not last year, like 4 years ago or something. I bought myself mead and just played Dwarf Fortress for like 6 hours. It was awesome. Best birthday ever. You want to play RimWorld? Dude, RimWorld is sick. It has really good Twitch integration too. Last time I played it on stream, like a super long time ago, you can redeem like channel points to do like care package drops in game and stuff. It was really cool. I don't remember what the integration software is called, but if you ever stream RimWorld, it's a super fun way to play. DF is basically one hands-on dev and his brother who helps with story design. Oh, interesting. So it is like one coder then. Cool. Dude, that's what a sick story for them. And they just recently basically made a ton of money because they did the Steam release, and they've been working on the game for like story time, so I don't know, 10 billion years I think was the exact number. I'm so happy for them, dude. And also, I don't know if you guys know this guy, Crooksmash. He does like Dwarf Fortress playthroughs and hand draws the characters and puts them up on the screen as the story's unfolding, because a big part of Dwarf Fortress is like the character stories that develop. Like you start off with like just a bunch of dwarves, and then they're like, actually, we want to be dwarves that build like a monument to the gods or whatever, and then all of a sudden like that's your new main focus. It's just such a good game, dude. Spear Cavern is sick. I haven't finished watching. I like the cold one. I don't remember the name of it. As you can tell, I've been watching Spear Cavern. It's so good. The dwarf tag? Which one? Dwarf tag? Huh? Chris has fallen into a fey mood. They're gonna make something weird, dude. It's strange crafting time. Such a sick game, dude. Publisher of Dwarf Fortress tried to add the dwarf tag added to Steam for Dwarf Fortress, but Steam said no. What? Really? That's such a good tag. What? If elf is a tag and dwarf isn't a tag, I am rioting. It's over, dude. I'll be salty beyond comprehension. Get those elves off my screen, dude. My first interaction with elves in Dwarf Fortress was I tried to sell them like a shipping container full of gems, but the shipping container was made out of wood. So they immediately got mad at me and were like, how dare you insult us like this? Like, you wanted the gems. I just put them in a box and now you're mad? What? Best factory game that isn't Factorio? Probably Satisfactory. Satisfactory is real good. Unless that also counts as a factory game. Dwarf, elf, and orc are not to be tags. They're not descriptive enough. They all fall under fantasy. Oh, whatever, dude. Nah. I want dwarf games, man. It'd be like, just because there's like dwarf, what is it? The dwarf mining game, Rock and Stone. What's the name of that one? That's pure dwarf energy. I love it. Rock and Stone, dude. Rock and Stone. Deep Rock Galactic. Yeah, that's dwarf. Come on. Not too vague. Pfft. I'm sure I could find much more vague tags on Steam, dude. Once I discovered you made children's crafts out of any material, I made arsenic toys and sold them to the elves. They deserve it. Get them out of here. You know what the worst part is? Sometimes the elves will carry stuff made out of wood. Oh, so you're allowed to do it, and I'm not allowed to do it? Kind of seems like a double standard. That's all I'm saying. Yeah, being a little choosy over there. No? It was just me. Maybe just being a little too opinionated with the fancy tree people. All of a sudden using tree stuff. Hmm? Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna cut down all the trees out of spite now, dude. And sell them to you. Enjoy your arsenic toys. Those of us who are yearns for the mines get it. Thank you, finally. I've changed my opinion so much. Like when I watched Lord of the Rings like a year ago or something, all of a sudden I was like 100% Team Gimli, dude. When I was a kid, I was like, oh, Legolas so cool. And I'm like, get these fucking fancy pants elves off my screen, bro. Give me the guy with like a 600-foot long beard who drinks 37 beers a minute. That's my guy. That's my man. We would mine together. It'd be great. I want to go live in a dwarf hole. So sick. Okay, use a knit with a value, yeah? Yeah, they do. Let me just... I'm still a little salty about the overloading thing, but so long as we do this every time, it's okay. But we have to do this here. When we pass the display money around, we don't have to use by value, but this still kind of sucks. Meh. Meh. I think they grow their woodcrafts using magic and harvest it from the trees without hurting them. Oh, uh-huh. I had a crush on Legolas, I can't allow this. Look, I never said he wasn't fine, okay? I never said he wasn't a good-looking dude. I just want the fancy elves off the screen, you know what I'm saying? You can have them, you know? You go off-screen together, I'm cool with that. Live it up, man. Respect. But I want Gimli. Elfwood has grown into shape. Okay, well, I grew it into shape too by hitting with an axe, okay? Act and shaped into shapes by tools of the earth. What do you think dirt is, okay? Yeah, you grew your tree using dirt. Guess what dirt is? That's tools of the earth, baby. Come on. It's all double. It's double standards all the way down. It's ridiculous. Fancy as all the people. I swear to God. Give children arsenic toys. Genius. It's not made out of wood. Can't be mad. Okay. This gets passed in. This gets automatically stringified. This is fine. The thing is, do we want the money to be a raw value? Probably. Yeah. It's the display that has to be the scientific integer. Everything else can be held like in a regular way. What do I suggest I do to make sure I stay on track for developing my game? Two things that help me a lot. So one is like doing kind of like a macro schedule of saying like, so streaming helps a lot with this for me, but like saying like these are the times I'm going to work on the thing, and I'm going to like make sure that I spend those 3 hours or whatever that I'm like on stream working on the thing, right? That's how you actually like get things to move forward. But on a more macro level, tracking software is really, really nice for that. So like an Asana board or something, and setting goals to say like, this week I want to finish this feature, right? Obviously you're not like at a company and you don't have any real deadlines. So if it needs to slip, that's okay. Like don't press yourself to burn out. But I feel like it does help give a little extra motivation. Like in game jams when I'm like, okay, I have to finish this by the end of the month. It tends to make me like clamp on extra features and stuff really hard, because I know like I have a time limit, right? I find that kind of thing helps a lot for like keeping scope creep from eating you alive. So like plan out, take as a big amount of time as you can into just planning things. Like list every feature you want to make, list the details of how those things work. The more time you spend planning, the less time you're gonna like kind of waffle as you're coding. So that's my suggestion. But yeah, any tracking software, so like I use Obsidian and Excalidraw for like text or for like to-do lists and stuff. There was a room. What? Dude, I don't want to play RimWorld on stream now. Problem is, that's a game like Factorio where if we start playing RimWorld, I will convert entirely into a RimWorld streamer, which like, I'm cool with that, you know what I'm saying? But I love that game, dude. It's so good. I still haven't beat it. Every time I make a new game, I just like make a really cool colony and do some other goals, but I've never actually left the planet. Can I give a brief description of the game I'm making? Yeah, sure. Absolutely. Let me show you the Excalidraw we got. So basically, I'll just kind of explain that high-level gameplay loop, but it's an idle game. It's kind of scratches the same itch as Factorio, where you're going to mine minerals, combine the things into different things, manufacture different things. But instead of going to like leaving the planet in a rocket ship or whatever, this game, you're just trying to get more money. So in that sense, it's kind of also like a venture capitalist. But basically, you use money to buy mines. Mines produce ore. You smelt ore in smelteries, or you alloy ores together in like an alloying phase. Those produce ingots. You can put ingots together in different combinations in manufacturing to make different products. So we have like a kind of small but workable crafting tree right now. So you can turn like copper and tin into basic cables and basic plating. You can turn those two things into a basic machine. And then once you kind of get to certain intermediate parts, you can spend them in 3 different ways. You can sell them. It's the simplest version. You just get more money. More money equals more mines, more production, blah, blah, blah. You know, we're good to go. You can also use parts specifically for upgrades. And upgrades are things that like make your manufacturing buildings manufacture faster, or make your smelters smelt faster, things like that. And also you can build specific research items that are going to be like contained in research packs. That helps you unlock new technology. So like if you want to you start the game with copper and tin. If you want to get to iron, you have to build the research packs to get there. Yeah, that's basically the game. And right now, it looks like that. Oh, it's broken. Right now it's broken. And it's fixed. Nope, still broken. Right now it's completely broken. Sounds fun. Aw, thank you so much. I'm glad it sounds fun. We'll get the base gameplay loop down and see if it still is fun, but you always end up doing a drug empire in RimWorld. It's just like the simplest way to make money, man. It's so sick. Plus it keeps your people happy, as long as you keep them away from the hard stuff, you know? No Luciferium. That's it. That's the only rule. You're back, finally studied for the exam? Nice, right? How'd it go? Or you still have to take it, or is it passed? Sorry, I forgot the timetable. Nikita, I apologize. I do not speak that language. Luciferium? Yeah. Just a little go faster juice, you know? Description was great. Aw, thank you so much. If only the code was great too. Hey, yeah. Just open YouTube and it's like, OMG Skygrey is streaming. It's true. He's live right now. You could go watch him, dude. Need to get into RimWorld. I haven't played it yet. You need to play RimWorld, dude. It is probably like in my top 10 games ever. Yeah, RimWorld's so good. Oh, hey, welcome, new viewer. Cool dude on YouTube is definitely not also on Twitch. Don't worry about it. Welcome. Thanks. Be sure to like and subscribe. Yeah, RimWorld's so sick. So sick, dude. One of my favorite games ever. Just another one that, like, be careful opening it. Make sure your weekend is clear, and also the following week, and that you wouldn't be screwed if you lost your job, because you might happen. I still need to play the new like DLC, the evolution thing, or the biology update. You can like make clones of people now. My big goal was always to like get Thrumbos domesticated, but man, they hungry, bro. They eat so much food. Oh my, it's like the whole colony's dedicated to just feeding one giant elephant bear thing. 2D Space Age Dwarf Fortress. And it is a Western? Oh yeah. Everyone has a cowboy hat on. It's sick, dude. Also, there's multiplayer for it if you download a mod. It's pretty fun. You can like control two different colonies. You don't like 1.3 update? I didn't like the royalty update either, so maybe just play base game for now. I thought royalty was really dumb. It's like, oh cool, my guy isn't happy because he doesn't have a golden bed. Okay. Like, guy, we live in a shack. I don't mean to be like presumptuous, but you're gonna have to get used to this. Was 1.1? I changed it, was base stuff? Check. Ideologies one? Yeah, was it ideologies that I didn't like? That's the one where you have to like give people a bunch of fancy stuff. I like the like magic spells aspect though. That was cool. I like watching videos of the guy who's like, can I survive in the sun, 0 ice sheet with only a single naked quadruple page column? Yep. Hey, as long as they're a cannibal, you won't be out of food. And the bodies never go bad because it's sub-zero outside. Kind of genius. Live on an ice sheet. You don't have to build a fridge. Think about it. Only play base game. Base game is sick. I think base game is like the way to play RimWorld, to be honest. The other stuff like adds too much for like a new player, especially like when I first started playing, I was playing with royalties on, and like every time it popped up, I was like, what? Who's visiting our base? Do I care about these people? And then like I was like, get out of my base, and they're like, no, this is our base now. I'm like, what? But I built this. This is my home. What happens on Wednesday games? Wasn't there? Sorry. Oh, it was super fun. We played Celeste 64. It was super fun. That game is adorable. Yeah, 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. And it only takes like a couple hours to beat if you're cooking. So just a nice, fun little casual game to play. It was good. Good. Can't wait for the next Wednesday. Possibly Tuesday. We're going to play games. I think Hades is winning right now, which I'm so glad it's Hades and not Little Nightmares 2. Let's get it. So much better for me personally. Okay, display money equals this. So this needs to be display money.value. Like that. What was the other thing that was crashing when I did this? Invalid get index. Oh, this isn't the class yet. This needs to be a scientific integer. How do I import this? A Little Nightmares is still tied. Oh, so cool. Thanks. Do import this. I don't remember how to do this. I'm gonna look at the other code because we did it in the other project. Assets. Scripts. No, I just need like. Where's the main script? Is it here? Main. Main. Yeah, main. Is this? Oh, not TSC. Yeah, GD. Just use Notepad. It's fine. Oh, like this. Okay. Cool. So you do this. And then you do dot scientific. Is that how you did it? Import, yeah, scientific integer, not new 0, like dece. It's a tie. Oh, great! That's so cool for me. Small child man can't comprehend. I believe you. I believe in you. I think it's not too complicated. We don't have too much going on in the game right now. Invalid operands int and object in operator here. Oh, this is dot value. See, this is the problem, is now literally everywhere I have to do dot value, but if you do that, it should valid index dot value on base float. Wait, what? Are we re-signing this somewhere? Oh, dot value again. Ah, so it begins. Ori's now tied? Oh, I'd be so happy to play Ori. That's not quite right. Well, it's doing the like scientific integer thing correctly, but it started at the back of the list for some reason. That's weird. It should go to K first, no? Why is it doing that? Maybe I add 1 per frame? We good? Why does it have, it shouldn't have decimal points either. That's probably what's throwing it off. It probably expects an integer, not a float. The thing is, all of our money should be integers only. Now you said I want to vote for Little Nightmares? Why y'all are just bullying me today, man? What the heck? What did I do? I'm sorry for whatever it was. Saw we? Okay. All right, we're even again. We're chill. We're good. Is there a way I can force this to be an integer the whole time it lives? Can you do that? Can I just say you're always an integer? No? Sick, dude. I need to do integer math then? Yeah. I need to do like floor for this? Because I can't have... Yeah, there we go. Okay, we're good. It didn't like the decimal place. That makes sense. Yeah, look, our money thing works now. Now it'll have like the correct scientific digit. I'm gonna do like 100. I want to make sure it goes... Okay, yeah, we're good. It's maybe a little too... I think this is okay. I think this looks okay. I'm gonna make sure it rolls over to M next though. This is also low-key testing the game I released today because I don't think I ever got a higher than 999,000. It should roll? It should be fine? Yeah, it's fine. Don't worry about it. Yeah, cool. Okay, that's working. Okay, so next we need the inventory manager. This is going to have a... Oh no, dude. Everything in here needs to also have that scientific integer import so that it displays correctly. I don't like this all of a sudden. Because I'm thinking about this and now I literally have to use this class everywhere when maybe I could get away with just doing it when I'm displaying things instead of holding everything in this class. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do it that way. So I'm gonna yoink this, set this to 0, delete all of the value. It's still okay for this to be floor, I'm cool with that. And then here we're gonna say new equals like this. So like that. Now it should do the same thing. It might crash because okay, yeah, here we go. So now internally it's still held as just the integer itself, but when it goes to be displayed, it creates a new class to hold this value. Okay. That's a little expensive in terms of like, it keeps creating this class over and over and over, but like the object itself is pretty cheap. I think it's fine. And in fact, if we're gonna do it here, we might as well wait till we actually go to the display itself. I want to do that. I passed it through here to the text. Basically, where do I want the responsibility of turning this thing into a string? Do I want it in the main class, or do I want it to be in the control of the text itself? I think I want it in the control of the text itself, because we can prefab the text so that everywhere we have like a value display, it automatically converts to this thing. Yeah. Okay. Let's practice your little nightmares. Boo. Oh god. I got spooked. I don't want to be gone. Is it safe? Can I come back? Not 100% perfectly optimized? Check it. I got you. I know a way to fix this. Ready? Literally unplayable? I'm sorry, I'll fix it. Hang on. It's gonna be okay. I'm gonna fix it. Boo! Ah! Oh, I got big this time. Wait, what? Why did I get big? I should have gone small. I'm the one who scares now. I am Big Gray. That was so scary. I know, right? I was spooked. Again, I've been told Little Nightmares isn't like scary as much it is like, not like jump scare scary. It's like spook, like ominous scary. I'm cool with that. I'm more okay with that. To do scientific integer imports. And then here we have display integer equals this. And when we go to update the text, what we do is we say display integer of value equals Geldward in German. I think also Vradian said it was also Swedish? I don't remember. And then we do display integer here. Now it should still work, and it only creates one copy of the class. There you go, optimized. It's Dutch, in German, and Dutch. There you go. Don't know why. Money go up. Dude, look at how good we are at our own game. I have $1,000. Are you kidding me, dude? I'm rich. Here, I'll even, ready? $sign. Whoa. Whoa, look at the, whoa. A lot of money, dude. That's like my Twitch paychecks, am I right? I'm not, I'm wrong. Okay. Where can we go? Okay, this all works fine. So when we do the text for the inventory, we need a UI control for the inventory. So we need to, okay, let's create that first. Add child node. Control. This is gonna be inventory control. And in inventory control, we can make a... Actually, it's only in Dutch. In German, it would be Geldwert. Oh, hang on. I don't want to have a mistake. In Dutch. Just Dutch now. See? We got it. Okay, so here I can have text now. I should prefab this text because I want to have every class do this. Yeah. Extends, what do we call this? Scientific display? Scientific integer display? Scientific integer display. Something like that. I like scientific integer display. All right, let's make an abstract class for this. We can hold everything. Create new scripts. Scientific integer display. Yeah. We're gonna yoink this. Give me that. We're gonna put it here. And we're gonna say class name, scientific integer display extends, rich text label, I think? Rich text label? Yeah. And what else we yoink? So we yoink this. Give me that. Go back to this. Just put that there. This should update now and be okay. Oh, we need to abstract out the font size though. Or not abstract, but we need to have a var for the font size. Font size equals 40. We'll set it to 45 to be the default. Like this plus string font size plus string like that. Okay. Cool. And now we set the money text to extend this. It should still display correctly. Yeah, okay, cool. Oh, also, this scientific integer display needs to not always have money in front of it, because most of the time it will just be a raw integer. I'm gonna set it to just be a regular integer for now, and then when we need to change it later, we can change it later. Cool. All right, perfect. All right, next we do an inventory control. Don't understand Godot code, just here for the ride. Do you have a question about something? I can like explain something if that would help. Yippee! Hey Danny, how's it going? Welcome, welcome. I was lurking in oh shoot, what stream was I saw you somewhere the other day in another developer stream. I can't remember who it was. We've hosted them before. Dang it. I wanted to say hi, but I didn't want to like call you out for lurking. Or I didn't want to unlurk. 17 viewers? Yeah, we chilling, dude. It's crazy. I think it was Psy? Bro, there's no pause in Break Invaders? If you if you pull up the shop, it pauses. But no, it doesn't. That's a good point. Someone's really add a pause button to that game. I'm gonna open source the code so that someone else can do it, not me. The C# version has so much more clarity here. It looks like I am reading broken English. Yeah, Python moment. Shop is paused. Yeah, see? He says, I played on your Minecraft server? Really? Oh shit, I didn't know about that. I need to play more on the Minecraft server. Maybe Tuesday will be Minecraft day. Thoughts? Add Minecraft to the list of games to play. So if I abstracted this correctly, I should be able to do a rich text here and call it copper copper label copper display. This one will have to add game Thursdays. I'll be real with you, I would love to stream 7 days a week. That actually sounds like super fun for me. I just also need days where I can go rock climbing. So if I don't go rock climbing, my mental will explode. I need some sort of exercise every once in a while, or like I start to feel not so great. I guess well, no, because I'm gonna prefab this whole thing, so maybe I actually want to do another control and call this inventory display. This inventory display will have a label, and this will be amount label, like that. Yeah. VR rock climbing basically the same? Yeah, man, yeah. Sure. Yeah, playing Minecraft multiplayer, travels 5,000 blocks away from spawn, refuses to speak to anyone. That used to be me. Actually, that is me, but on my own server, I decided to stay a little bit close. I'm on like a little peninsula next to spawn. But normally, I'm absolutely that guy. I'm absolutely just like, all right, time to play with friends. See ya. You will never hear from me again. Then you do the thing where your friend logs in, you type one message, you just go, hey. And they type back, hey. And then you never speak again. And then they just occasionally you'll see this. Someone will just leave that there. That's it. That's multiplayer Minecraft experience. If I played Free Fire, I don't like this game because my friends just keep playing it even though they have in the evening, so they do not play football or anything like that. Ugh. No, I don't know what Free Fire is. My friends played like the Roblox CS game for a while though, if it's similar. What was that game called? Roblox Battlefield. Was it? There's something. What was this? Battlefield Tycoon? No. What was it? What was this game called? BattleBit, maybe? I think that was it, yeah. My friends played that a ton for some reason. I was like, dude, this is cool, but I'll just go play Counter-Strike. Like, if I want to play a shooting game, I'll probably play Counter-Strike. Or I would say Overwatch, but nah, I'm all set on that one. Was Minecraft servers with my friends, just one of us who rushes the dragon. My bestie just builds a mansion. I just want to mine and build big engineering projects. See, together you form a great team. I'm definitely just mine. I'm just, put me in the ground. I'm a little dwarf. I just want to hit the blocks and get shiny things. 10 out of 10, excellent. And I come up to the surface. I hand all of the resources I got to my friend who builds like a monument to the gods, and I'm like, all right, man, good luck. If you need me, I'll be finding shiny things underground. And the cycle begins anew. I do love the game so much, though. Just mining is just so fun, dude. Is it better to have your waifu in your Minecraft world? Nah, dude, that's sick. Play the game however you want. Don't. Yeah, totally fine. I used to do like pixel art and stuff in Minecraft with like wool. So like Minecraft pixel art. Do stuff like this. Like people make, yeah, like this. I used to do this on my friend's server. This was really fun. This kind of stuff. It's a lot of work, and usually you have to use like we had an overlay thing, so you could like, you didn't have to literally like memorize everything. But our original ones, we did it by hand. We would literally like zoom in and count, like, or like use a program to convert it, and like literally count like, okay, the next 5 blocks are black wool. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Miserable. You posted pics? Hey yo, one moment. Where'd you put it? Minecraft general, perhaps? Oh, it's the maid mod. This is kind of cool. I see you are a Ran enjoyer. Good taste, good taste. 10 out of 10. This is Ran, right? It's Wine Fox? That's Ran, bro. That's Ran. We can all agree, right? Everyone, we all know. We all know that's Ran. Do they actually like do stuff for you though, or do they literally just follow you around? It'd be cool if like you could put them to work. Wine Fox, the owners, OC. Oh shit, that's not Ran then. Yeah, they work. Nice. Hey Naveed, how's it going? She's on auto feed mode at the moment. Does she like bring you food? To the mine's wife. One of us has got to find the shiny things. It's not gonna be me. Just kidding. It would absolutely be me. Love the mines. 10 out of 10. Okay. Can we? So if we go to this and we add a script, sure, mount label's fine. Let me say extends. What do you call it? Mount label. Scientific industry. No, that's not good. No, this is okay. This is okay. This shouldn't be an abstract class. No, it should be an abstract class. I'm losing my mind. Like that. And so this should already have the thing to update the text. Where do you live? Where's your home? Go here. Oh, we need to mess with the controls. Okay. Where's the inventory control live? You. Where are you? Where's your home? This node is a child of a regular control. That's fine. So this control lives on the UI controls. Yeah, this is good. Okay. I want this to be anchored on the center. Finally, we can move the gosh darn anchors. Yeah, anchor center. And then I should be able to move this control to like, I want to move the actual control. Where's the lay? Hey, Gatra, how's it going? Yo. I love the mines. That's why I want everyone in the mines too. You get me. You understand me. Cool, dude. That's where I'm happy. I want you to be happy. This is what makes me happy. So it's gonna be what makes you happy, right? Because everyone has to be the same as me, right? No such thing as digging too deep or too greedily. Completely agree. You see that adamantite vein? That could be ours, dude. What's beyond that? I don't know. More adamantite, potentially. Oh, it leads to the underworld where there's infinite demons that spawn off the side of the world. But did we get the shiny thing? The fun in the circus? There's a whole circus down there, dude. I want that adamantite. You don't understand. I'll go to any circus I need to. That's the fun part. And then you all die and you start a new fortress. Fun. Didn't dig deep enough. There's a theory. Think about it. If we went deeper, we could get more adamantite. Hold up. I think you're cooking. Why have I set this here? My only thing is like the top UI control isn't. I want to set this layout to be half the screen. Can I do that? There's visibility, texture, material. Where's position? Layout, position. So if I set this to 360, what? Like that? What? How big is our screen? I don't remember. Project settings. Window. Viewport width is 360. So we set it to 180. Godot? Have you crashed? Okay. I thought it was. Is it over? One. Interesting. Can I save at least? Okay, because we're gonna have to reopen the project. Something clearly has gone terribly wrong. Neat. I'm chilling, doing some cloud dev homework. Ooh, it's not fun that it's homework, but cloud dev, that's cool. Gotta go eat BRB. Hey, it's good seeing you for a little bit, man. Hope you get some good food. Okay, so I can set this control to be in the middle of the screen, 180. See if it actually works this time. What? Why did it move this? Oh, I did the size. I do that all the time. Okay, now the anchor is in the center of the screen, at the top of the center of the screen. This is perfect. So if we set this control now, and we say anchor yourself here, and then the text also anchor yourself center. Yeah, okay. I'm starting to understand how to use controls. The pillars of candy deep underground seal away the silly little clowns of the circus. I just want the candy. You can turn the candy into little wafers. I think my favorite part about Dwarf Fortress is that adamantite is like by far the best metal in the whole game, right? It makes the best armor in the whole game. If you equip like 300 dwarves with the best armor in the whole game, and you're like, I bet we can take on those demons, dude. You will get clapped. You have the best gear in the game, you fight one demon, and the demon's like, acid breath. You're dead. Or web. You're dead. Like, oh, okay. Sick. Tried marathoning Lord of the Ring, and even though I love the movies, it's been like 3 weeks, still haven't gotten around to watch Return of the King. It's a lot. It's a lot. They're great, but like, they're like a commit to do nothing else for the rest of the day. You know what I mean? I want to rewatch them though. Maybe I'll marathon them if I take a day off ever. Redeem gives Sky a good cuddle and go to bed because this redeem name is really long and I don't know what I'm doing 100,000. Thanks, man. That sounds great. I'm gonna go to bed after this stream. I had a long day. I'm getting real sleepy. Adamantine makes the best discipline hammer too. Doesn't it like actually suck for making a hammer out of because it's so light? And part of like hammer's damage is based on the weight of the hammer. If you made like a super sick adamantine axe, it does like 2 damage. They're good for like swords and stuff, but yeah. But what dwarf uses a sword? It's axes all the way, dude. Steel. Black hole, agree. Don't play the game. Save yourself. Factorial moment. Oh shit, Wild Gem starts today. Will tomorrow be a new project? Yes, actually. We're gonna do the Wild Gem this time, so long as the theme isn't booty butt cheeks. Did they vote for the theme yet, actually? I don't think so, guys. I didn't see any announcements. Yeah, they haven't decided the theme yet, but we're gonna switch to Wild Gem probs. See if we can make a game in a week. We'll see. Actually, let's look at the theme votes real quick. Anything cool on here? Pilot, perfectionist, aliens, robots. Okay, I don't love themes like this. They had one a while ago that was called Cat. Like, that's just that's not like a game thing, you know? That's just make your game but with cat. Eh. So I enchant it with some kind of weight enhancing thing? Can you do that? I actually didn't know about that. Oh, I just give steel axes to everybody. Steel axes, steel armor, it'd be fine. But like, underwater, like that's more of a thing you design around. I also don't like things that are too specific, like Raging Bull kind of collapse down the idea space. Cat, someone makes a clone of that cat game. Literally, like it's just cat version of your favorite game. Like some of these are really cool. Let's see. It Takes Two, great game. Stoicism, Dark Forest. These are okay. Some of these are a little bit better. 1 HP, That's an interesting game design, actually. Holy, that's a great theme. I'm giving that an I. I like that. I like that a lot. Reactor stress? Seems like pretty specific. Anyways, we'll see what the themes they end up on. But we'll probably switch tomorrow, yeah. We might even do the whole game design document too. Make a whole thing out of it. It'll be a good time. I'm excited. I didn't do the last one because I was doing FFS Gem, so hopefully this time I actually get to make the game. Let's see. I'll need a theme that will design the game's concept, like GMTK themes. Yeah, like, you just need something more than like, I don't want to have a theme that's like, make your game that has this thing in it. I want a theme that's like, make your game around this thing. Like, the Pirate Software latest one was, I think it was Wave Defense? Something like that. Like, that's a really good theme, right? Because there's a lot of ways to interpret that, but like, it also restricts down the design space. It's not just literally like, make your favorite game but with ocean theme, you know? Wave Defense is a really, really sick idea. But I think with Wild Jam, they like always source the themes from the community, so sometimes they don't end up at the best, which is okay. I mean, it's good to have variety, right? Be good, pretty good educational content if I do make it a game design doc. I think yeah. I'm in for that. I liked the way we did it with Excalibur too last time because it like gave me a better idea of where I'm going with the game. I definitely prefer this over what we did for Break Invaders. It's just a long checklist. Yeah, I'm on lunch ATM. Ooh, hope you're having a good lunch. Yeah. Just on the Break Invaders, and I have X7 speed, amount 77, damage 8, cooldown 6. The tiles are not coming down. Will they come down after a little while? You can press, there's a button that says like force spawn tile that you can press to make tiles come down the screen. If you're ever like too overpowered. Saw Princeton design about tower defense, and you're a knight with walking towers. They come attack you and you defend against them. That's awesome. I really like when people flip ideas like that, especially when you load into the game and it's like, place your tower, you know, like as if you don't know, and you're like, okay, yeah, tower defense, I get it, and then the tower attacks you, like, whoa. You're not supposed to do that. we had a deal. That worked. Oh, thank God. I thought the game was broken. Thanks for downloading it though. I appreciate it. I'm excited the game came out, but I'm also excited to be done with the game. You feel me? Yeah. I'm excited to do the next one too. I like the smaller version projects. Like I think this one's going to take us a while because we're doing the art for it too. So it'd be cool to join a Wild Jam because it locks us down to only making stuff for a week. Excited I get to get the right to make a new game. Huh? What are you talking about? Oh, because you finished one? Making a new game correctly. Actually finishing a game. They said it couldn't be done. Okay, what else do I need in this display? I think there was like 4 things total that go in. That's the wrong tab. Yeah, this thing. 4 things go in this. It's the icon. I'm just gonna go get a placeholder icon for now. Iron, copper ore. Let's just give me a random copper ore placeholder. I will not use this in production. Oh, excellent copper ore placeholder, dude. What the? I'm an adult, I think. Yeah, perfect. Let's see. Projects. Was it Geoblock? Geoblock. Godot assets. Scripts. We need a new thing. Sprites. Sprites. Copper ore. Wait, this is a web thing. No, I need the image. Don't give me the web. I hate when they do this, dude. I just like that website so much. There's so many ads that covers half the screen. That's why I use AdBlock. Should join game jams to know how to 3D model better. Absolutely, it would be excellent for that. Especially as an artist, like most game jam projects will have the coders and they're looking for artists. So I say absolutely go for it. Let me know how it goes. Exciting, man. Okay, sprites. I think I can call this copper ore.png. And it should save it as a PNG. Does that work? Maybe. Error importing image. Haha, sick, dude. Who else had a hissy fit when they changed the textures of ores in Minecraft? Me, dude. Me, I did. I have such a hard time telling what things are now because they looked one way and now they look different. We had a deal, dude. Why did you change it on me, huh? Like a 3D model animes, unless I can take like 700 years on a single model. The nice thing about game jams is they make you do it fast. So it's like you just have to produce the thing. And I bet you can still make something pretty sick even in just 2 hours. I think you're selling yourself a little bit short. There should be a learn something new jam where you have to learn one new skill for your game. I think there is one actually. It might literally be called the learn something new jam. Hang on. Itch.io game jams. I saw something like that. That was literally just learn a new skill in 30 days or something. Learn. Maybe not. There is a jam like that though. If you can't find it, you can always make one too. Yeah, if I can find it, I'll send it to you. But it's literally like, it's a game jam where you just pick up a skill and see if you can make it into a game. But it's not even like a requirement. Nothing like coming up with other people's ideas. There you go. Make me Jeff Bezos in a one-day jam? Huh? What? It's mostly so they can make a game more accessible for people? For the like visual updates? Yeah. Look, are they right? Should they be doing that? Yes. Am I still mad about it? Yeah. No, I'm not actually upset. It's just like really weird to be playing the game and all of a sudden things look different. Just not used to it. The Deep Slate one though, like I'm mining like coal and like hang on. You're telling me they tried to make the game more accessible and they left this in the game? What the hell is this, dude? Every time I don't know what this is. Apparently just to help colorblind differentiate the ores. Explain this then. Explain this, Minecraft devs, huh? What is this? You know what Deep Slate looks like? Show me this compared to Deep Slate. I can't see that. Are you kidding me? Look at it. Oh yeah, totally. Yeah, I'm clearly discernible what's going on in this image. Look at it. This is the coal. This is Deep Slate. Ridiculous. I'm blind? Really? I can't be the only one, right? I have such a hard time with this. Yeah, no, not just me. It's just me. I don't know about that one, dude. This shit's impossible for me. Literally impossible. Just see, I'll make the world record for this. Yeah, man, sick. I'll probably make a channel for people to post their like high scores for Break Invaders. If you're that far down, I don't think you need coal. But I want it. But I want the coal. Give me the coal. I'm in the mines, dude. I want everything. Alright, apparently this is impossible to save. Can I copy and then put it into... Can I like... Just give me the image. Why is this? Why are you being so difficult, huh? Why? Don't do this. Okay, can I paste? Just change the file extension name? I tried that, it didn't work. But I think if I rewrite it here, it should be fine. Projects. Geoblock. Godot. Assets. Sprites. Copper ore at PNG. Export. Place. See ya, nerd. Yeah, I changed it to PNG and it didn't work. I don't know why. Minecraft rant? I'm ready and willing. I did it. Copper. I think earlier you were referring to the New Year's New Skills game jam where people showcase what they learned from the prior year. Oh yeah, I think you're right. Which is like, that's still really sick, no? Can I need a sprite. What's the... There's like a specific sprite, like a rect sprite? What is it? Sprite? Texture rect? Control that displays the texture. Yeah. I want this specifically. Then I can assign this into the texture rect. Yep, perfect. Resize control. Oh, I can't resize this? Wait, what? Can I not? I can't do like this? Huh, I guess it like literally locks the res. Okay, we'll just use a sprite then. Change to expand mode. Oh. Wait. Ignore size? There we go. Okay, cool. And I should be able to set the anchor to the left. That's not very left of you. What? Wait, okay, so UI controls is over here. That one actually doesn't matter. This one is set to the center. That's correct. This one is set to center. That's correct. This display should be anchored on the left. There we go. Bottom left? No, this is fine. And that, okay. This, I need to make this control, the display control I need to make smaller. How do I do that? This should be full rect. I should be able to do like this. Yeah, here we go. I'm starting to learn controls, man. Oh, I can do this, and then I can set the position on this. Hang on. Position. And I can set the Y value to be like 50, and it should move. Why did it not move everything? What? Can I do like 100? Shouldn't these come with me? No? Why? What? Because I want it to be like this. Basically what I'm trying to do is set stretch mode to aspect if you want to keep it square. Okay. Okay. Scale, keep aspect. Okay, cool. Those are the anchor points. Right, I want the anchor points to literally be here. 0+ downloads for break invaders. The App Store takes like 3 days to update, so it'll look like it'll say 0+ for a while. It's really funny. The App Store Connect is even worse. It won't tell me how many people play the game till like 6 weeks later or something crazy. Not 6 weeks, but like at least 4 days. Size Live gonna head there. Take it easy, Danny. Thanks for hanging out for a bit. Appreciate it. Maybe we'll be back there. Also right there or something. You even had it pre-installed. No, you have to get the update. The pre-installed has the test API. No. I actually don't care. Do what you want. Sounds like copium. True. Yeah. No, nah, bro. It just takes like 6 weeks to catch up. Smile. Don't worry about it. Good luck on your studies, right? Okay. There's no update. It's on version 1.0.0. It should still update to the store version. No, it did on the Apple side, but maybe not on Android side. I don't know. Interesting. But yeah, what I want to do is like set these anchor points to be in a list, because this is going to be over here, and then you're gonna have the display of how much of that thing you have. So if I set this position to be, if I reset this, it goes way back up at the top. What are these anchors actually doing for me then? Current ratio. And I like, I want to do something like that, because then this guy can say anchor to the left, and it should pop over here, but it doesn't do that. And I don't know why. I might have to look up how to use controls better. There's anchor points. That's the stuff I was like messing with though, yeah? Hey, it's Toxic QT. Thanks for the follow, I appreciate it. Welcome. But yeah, I think this is weird. If I set to fill, that just makes it go fill back to the aspect ratio here. Is that okay? Can I like move this over here and it would update the fill? Maybe? No, it doesn't. I might have to look up specifically how to use this. Because I can, like, what I do understand is I can set the X value, or like the Y value down. That shifts everything down for me. The thing is, if I make another one, I want to be able to set just one position on the transform and have everything flow. And also if I change resolutions, like, one thing that was a problem with the last game is if you play like on an iPad or something, the resolution got horribly stretched out. Like, it still was the game, but it looked like really bad. So I'm trying to figure out a way such that I can like anchor this on the left, and if you move to a bigger device, it just fills in more space in the center. Yeah. I was watching someone that I called Whisper Princess, because she always spoke as if she was whispering, and she had this avatar of a girl with at-home clothes. But they changed their model. What? That sucks. Was it like another VTuber? Reminds you of Mirinth? I watched Mirinth is the developer, yeah? They're like a VTuber developer, right? I think so. They made are they streaming right now? Yeah. Mirinth. Oh, they changed their model too. Oh, that was not what they were last time I saw them. They're cool though. I like Mirinth. They lurk there sometimes. Got her in one. Oh, I got the legitimately like the correct. Oh dang. That's cool. I like the model with the actually Muse's model does this really well too, where like they have their hands on the keyboard and it would like animate the hands typing. That's really cool for me. I thought that was really sick. Muse does it too. They have a controller on their avatar, so like the buttons they press are mapped in on the buttons. Yeah, nice job, Viridian. Just off the dome. Totally got it. Yeah, Marantha's cool. I watched them make the like boba game they were making the other day. I didn't watch a ton of it. I just was lurking around while I was doing homework. Okay. Do I just left do everything? Ones that have their drawing pen move along with their mouse is pretty cool. Yeah. A lot of people do that for Osu too, so they can see like what buttons they're tapping. So the person I watched that does the whisper voice. I wonder if that's like the regular voice. I have no idea. Because I've met people that have a voice like that's just as their natural voice, where it's just like kind of like wispy. Their voice is on wispy mode. All right. What if I just fix this later, and for now I just set the thing because I don't want to mess with it. No, not 550. 100? Yeah, put it like there. I want this to be here. I want the label to be like here in the center. So I'm gonna anchor to the center. And this should have some amount. So I'm gonna do another thing where I just increase the amount in the inventory per frame. But how do we actually display the amount from the inventory? How's it going in the UI zone? It's I don't know. Anchors work. I'm gonna look it up after stream and play around with it. It's so much easier when you just don't care about resolution scaling. Yeah, UI struggle, correct. But we got one of our buttons to work correctly, or like one of our numbers to work correctly. So this like scales up now in scientific integer mode. Pretty cool. I'm trying to get it to work for inventory stuff too, but once watched a League of Legends players, Avatar was a doge, and his paws used the mouse and keyboard in perfect sync. People do that for, I think it was like an extension for Osu for a while. Osu button pressing avatar. With like the bongo cat. No, not Osu, what? Bongo cat. Like this? People do this one all the time for Osu because they have the two buttons on their keyboard mapped, and so it would like move the tablet pen around and also press like the keys for the bongo cat. So something like this. Is this a GIF? Oh no, I want the GIF. Like yeah, people are modifying their own avatars and stuff like that. It was really cool. Pretty cool. I have the number that increases quickly. Perfect game there, really. As soon as you have that and a loading bar, we're basically there, dude. Nice. Thank you, Crow. We'll get there eventually. I think the coolest VTuber I watched is LC Long. What? Their entire model is an ASCII character, and their redeems let you modify the ASCII character with the pictures. That's so sick. Oh, there's another good one. Let me see if I can find it real quick. I'm gonna have to open my Twitter, so I need to move tabs. There's someone I just found on Twitter the other day that did something similar. Following. Yeah, Bite. This guy. Have you guys seen this guy? So sick. You can redeem things. So he has like a 3D model. You can redeem things and look show up on his jacket. It's so sick, dude. Hopefully there's like a example here. Maybe not. Yeah, this is one of the coolest things I've seen. Yeah. You can draw over their clothing texture in real time and it renders on top of their model. So sick, dude. So much cooler than me. Oh, Sheen Diggs as well is crazy talented with like overlays and stuff. It's super dope. It's so sick. This is what I want to be when I grow up. They also have a low poly model, which I want a low poly model so bad, dude. If I ever commission another model, it'd be a low poly model. These I wish I would have done it this way first. Look at how cool this looks. Like PS2 vibes, man. So sick. Steal some ideas from that? Exactly. No. You're saying it wrong. I need to get inspired from that. Inspired. Idea stealing. No. Inspiration. Devs are simply unable to resist the urge to make silly little avatar and start streaming themselves. Literally. That's why I'm here. Your model's cool too. Oh, thank you. I appreciate it. It's not like techie though, you know what I mean? I wouldn't discard this model. I would probably just switch between them. YouTuber software dev goes Bert. People have made some crazy stuff for VTube software, man. Especially like VR chat. I was talking to Muse about this. People make crazy shit for that game, dude. It's absolutely crazy. It's awesome. I love it. VTuber dev community has been super, super cool. I haven't been here for too long, but I really love it so far. Depends on what kind of mod you want. Yeah. 3D one? 3D is really hard. But low poly 3D is not nearly as bad because like the rigging you don't have to do. Oh, that's cool. What? Wait, I'll move. I'm blocking it. That's their model? Is it like a PNG tuber or is it fully rendered and then just renders into ASCII? Dang, that's cool, dude. Ooh. Low poly or maybe ASCII. I gotta look into how they're doing this. Full on ASCII render movement and all. I think I also might need to go get some inspiration. Not idea thief. No. Inspired. Get inspired. Okay, the inventory display needs a script that every frame, probably every frame, it goes and gets a copy of the inventory to display on this screen. Let's do that. This has a script too, right? The inventory management? Yeah. What's your inventory? Okay, so we're gonna do, I think the way the inventory works is like this. I do ors. This is a list. No, it's not a list. It's a dictionary. Because we like just using as much memory as possible. You feel me? Copper. I'm gonna give us 100. I'm gonna give us 1,000 to make sure it displays correctly. This is what our inventory looks like. Is my model 2D? Yeah, it's 2D. A lot easier. I should do another 20-minute focus session just to get some stuff done. I'm cool with the redeems being where they're at, you know? I realistically, like, I love doing development work and like I do some offline too, but I like the hanging out aspect too. Like I don't want to just sit here and be like heads down coding the whole time, even if I get a little bit less done. If I do the game jam, I'll probably be a little bit more focused though. But I'm here to hang out with people, you know? It's all good. It's all good. Okay, so we can get past a copy of, well, we can get past this directly actually. This inventory here, get a copy of this thing, go through whatever tab we're on and render them. Hey, Quavit, thanks for the follow. Render them into the actual inventory screen. I think that's how we want to do it. Get a copy, go to the specific tab we're on, and then render the options. The other way of doing this is rendering everybody that should be in the menu. So like pre-render everything basically, and only update based on which one we're looking at. That's probably more performant because then we don't have to re-render if we switch between the tabs really fast. Yeah. For now, I'm going to default to us looking at like the ors section only because that's the only thing we can literally have right now. But like, as it has in the Excalidraw, you're going to have these 4 buttons to like go through. Good luck with the coding. Oh, thank you. Appreciate it. We got a little bit done today already, so we're cooking. Yeah, so it should, when you pull up the screen, it should immediately render all of the inventories that you can look at, but only update per frame on the one you're currently looking at. That makes the most sense to me. Also, we need to pass the gradients as well, so that way you have like these numbers telling you if you're gaining or losing. One thing at a time. So we have our little dumb image. It's a Minecraft block for now. We need the label, so we'll add that next. Let's see, rich text label. This is the, okay, this is the icon. I'm gonna rename this to icon. Object icon? I'll just say icon. Icon. Original art. Yeah. No, look, I made it in Sprite. Look. Where's Sprite? Oh, see? Look, that's basically a Minecraft block, dude. Yeah, it's same thing. What will happen if I unfollow you again and then keep doing this in Twitch? Will it keep saying to-do? I believe Twitch has an internal cooldown of like, I think it's like a week if I remember correctly, where you cannot, it will not alert again if you unfollow and follow. But you could play with the bounds. Just see where, do some science, see where that number lies, you know? Just make it say to-do all day. No one knows everything started. Yeah, I completely agree, Chili. That's exactly the right attitude to have. If you want to learn, all you need to do is be patient, persistent, set a little bit of time. The best way for me is like literally setting like okay, I'm gonna spend 20 minutes, no matter what. I'm gonna spend 20 minutes every day just doing this thing. Just make a little bit of progress every day. The 20 minutes thing is nice because it's like, if you have more time, feel free to study for more time. But if you only have the 20 minutes, like, I say this facetiously because it's not true, but like, everyone's got 20 minutes, man. You know, like, 20 minutes right before you go to bed or something. Yeah. Like when I used to stream like 8 years ago, I also used the to do as a follower notification. It's so good. I didn't come up with it. I stole it from Whole Wheat Pete. As unoriginal. Yeah, look. That's copper ore, dude. I just you know, I made one offline that looks a little bit better. It looks like this. I think it's pretty good, you know, personally. Yeah, it's just an easy one to clip. I don't know. Tons of people use it. And like isn't the Lily Pichu like the wow thing? Made it offline. Yeah, right before the stream started, I just opened up Sprite and made it. Just trust me. Just trust me, bro. It's all good. Tummy mildly hurts. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, dude. I'm a card-carrying member of the Tummy Hurty Club. I hope you hang in there. Hope you can get some relief from the Tummy Hurty Club. But yeah, I'm a card-carrying member. I feel your struggle. Hang in there. Okay, icon. This is gonna be the. I don't like object label. What is this? An inventory? An item? Item label? It's an item, dude. Item label. Item amount display. I'm gonna call this item icon then. Item icon. And the last one is another rich text label, and this is the item gradient, like that. Yeah. Cooking show strats over here. I put this I put this Sprite model in 2 hours before the show so we could keep going. So I just thought I'd pull it out of the oven. And you're getting VTube Studio? Let's go, dude. Let's go. You gonna start maybe doing a little streaming? I need to make a like streamer channel in the Discord because I would let me know when you stream, Danny. If you go ahead and start VTube streaming, let me know. I want to see. I'll tune in. I want to pay back the follower notification one day. Okay, these need to be anchored center, and like I think center is just fine. Again, I'll figure out the anchors later. For now, I'm just gonna leave it as it is. So item label, that's gonna go like here, and I'm just gonna I'm gonna type in it for now. Center, font size, I don't know, 25. Copper or 25 is too big. 15? 10? Surely. That's probably too small, no? Oh, it's so blurry too. Why is it so blurry? No, it needs to be bigger than that. 20? The problem is I have to figure out which of these is gonna be the biggest one and then scale everything depending on that. Why is it so blurry though? That's so weird. It's probably an import thing. The way the text is imported? This one's blurry too, actually, now that I think about it. Why are they blurry? They look... That's weird. They look fine when you actually render them in-game. What the heck? Huh. The journey begins. I want to make devlogs on YouTube, but I don't want to put my voice on the internet. Would a text-to-speech voice be annoying to listen to? Yeah, I personally don't love text-to-speech. It's funny. It's not a fault of, like, the text-to-speech itself. It's the fact that, like, I associate it with, like, short content sludge, right? When I hear TTS, all I can think of is, like, the top half is Subway Surfers, the bottom half is Family Guy, and in the middle it's like some Sigma grind set like, you know, if you're 10 years old, what you really should be doing is building your businesses, not going on the playground. And it's just like, nothing happened. I think Twitch remembered that I followed you. Yeah, I think you have to wait like a week. Although it will mess up things like if you look on like Twitch tracking websites like Social Blade, it'll show like you lost like 100 followers if someone just keeps clicking the button over and over and over. True dystopian timeline. I hate those videos, dude. I hate any grind set. Like, it's just sludge, dude. Pure sludge. Is Breaking Vader's game supposed to give you extra upgrades every time you restart it? Every time you die, it should give you like prestige upgrades based on the total amount of things you've broken. There's some YouTube channels that do it really well. Rav is one of them that popped off. Who's Rav? I never heard of Rav. I mean, I know the artist Rav. I don't know the TTS Rav. Yeah, I think TTS is okay. Just don't use like. Well, okay. Honestly, here's the thing. If you just start making the devlogs and you use TTS, I think you'll pretty quickly figure out like which TTS you want to use. So I say just make something. Just make something and see how it goes. If it seems like it's going well, then keep using that TTS. But if it sounds like after a couple of videos you want to change it up, I don't think you need to have like everything figured out right away for these kinds of things. I think just go make stuff and then you'll get a feel for it. Because music in 2008 was being a ninth grader instead of investing into real estate. Oh, dude, same, dude. I should have grinded the lemonade stand harder. You know what I'm saying? I really messed out on the opportunity. Rough out there, man. And now I'll never afford a house. Isn't that cool? Isn't that a neat little thing? Font size 15 again, maybe? And this will be the oops. This will be the amount that we actually have of the thing. So like 1.23k. Something like this. It's kind of tiny. What is the font size on this one? 20? We'll do 20 here as well. Need to make sure it can fit the whole thing. So what worries me is we're kind of out of space already, no? Yeah, we're out of space already. Maybe I'm getting deceived because like a real phone is going to be bigger than this. Like I bet this renders on a phone better than it looks in the project that we have here. I think I can make these smaller. Or I can make it, I can maybe just make it 2 lines. Yeah, maybe I make it 2 lines. I really wanted it to be all in one though. 2 makes it like kind of bulkier, whereas this seems more like tabulated. Made it 25, not 20. Nice cat. You a genius. This is why I keep you guys around. You fix all my dumb mistakes. Does this give me enough? This gives me enough room. This gives me enough room to like slip the last little piece of text in here, I think. Okay, amount to split. Did I mess up? I did. Here's what we do. Item label 2. We call this item label. We move it up. We move this down. Call this item gradient. And no one will ever know. Is this game gonna be fun? I want to know what my expectations should be. I have no idea. I'll let you know when we get a base gameplay loop down. Gonna be the GOAT of like the century? Whoa. In my opinion, I wouldn't mind a video with just music and text if you're fine with it being more of a dev recap format. For more in depth, I'm definitely looking at having a narrated commentary. If it's like a short and it's just music, and like text, I think that's okay because a lot of people don't watch shorts with sound on anyways. Like sometimes I don't even do that. So if it was just like real quick hits, like built this, built this, built this, built this, and it was just text or like just text up on the screen, or even honestly text to speech wouldn't be too bad for that either. Yeah, I think both of those are totally fine. 2005 notepad tutorials. Yeah, dude, with the unregistered hypercam top left. Iconic background music and like a 20-second intro too. The dream. Just do tutorials now follow. Interesting. Interesting, right? What an interesting username popped into the chat. Unregistered hypercam, those are the days. Oh yeah. I had that in like, was it Fraps? You guys know what I'm talking about? Screen. Yeah, this thing. It would just show like the number in the top left of how many frames per second you had. It was so weird. Please activate Windows watermark. Please, dude, I'm begging you, just activate Windows just a little bit. Please. Those were the days. Okay, so center, font, oh, I don't have BB codes on. I remember making like Modern Warfare 2 montages with Fraps. The resource hog? Absolutely. Any part you think Google Chrome is bad? Perhaps I think it was like mining bitcoins or something. Whatever it was doing, it was thinking about it, dude. So this will look something like, how do we do that? what did we write for this? Where did Excalibur go? Oh, here it is. Okay, this is green or red, and it has a thing in like parentheses. They wish they mined Bitcoin? I bet they did. Something like this. Okay. And I should be able to also change the color on this. Is it material? Visibility? Yeah. So I feel like if you're doing well, you should be able to have green text. Like that. This is roughly what I want this to look like. Oh yeah, crypto. It was, yeah, you're right. I didn't think about that. It predated crypto. I'm so used to crypto just being like everything and everywhere right now. Look at that. That's not bad. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Value font, obviously. Like I use them literally everything. I thought you said it as a joke. For what? The mining thing? No, I was being serious. I just totally forgot that was before time. It was before the events. Oh yeah, Bitcoin's been Bitcoin has been around for a long time. I think like, was it also like 2010 or something around there? Toast, you heading out? Oh, I'll see you later, dude. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for making me focus for a bunch of comp. 2009 was Bitcoin. I was close. I'll take it. Before they started mining too deep and too greedily. I'll do it again, please, Toast. Listen, let's talk. It doesn't have to be like this, okay? I promise I'll focus. I promise I'll get work done. I promise I'll focus. Don't bully me. I'll leave the stream open so I can earn more points. Toast is mining, dude. Oh no. Okay, so the good news is I can move this control around and it moves all of this, which means what I want to be able to do eventually is have this be like a pop-up menu. So it'll go down, and then when I want the menu to come up, it'll be like, boop, hello, you have copper. Should work. Should work. Okay, now that we have all these things, let's get them to actually update. Sprite doesn't need to update, it's done. Copper ore, also just part of the label. However, I'm going to prefab this object, and what I... Right, you're going to get these accounts banned, buddy, I'm just letting you know. Twitch doesn't like it when you make bot accounts. just a heads up. Let's see. Yeah, so I can prefab this thing, and then it'll work. I can like set the labels and this thing dynamically. What do I mean? So like Twitch knows when you have. Oh, these look. I see. They look legit. Yeah, true. I was just saying as a general thing. I wasn't saying it in reference to anything. Don't worry about it. Yeah, it'll like remove the accounts and then detract the followers. But you can make it say the notification over and over, if that's what you really want. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna prefab this. If I was to give my opinion, I'd say make the item cost font a tad larger so it's a bit distinct from the rest. A currency icon would be nice too. That is a good idea. So, this is not a... Right, let me... maybe I didn't explain this well. This is just the inventory screen. So this is just showing you how much of like the copper ore you have. It's not so much like the price of the thing. And this is how much you're making per minute. Oh shoot, I need the slash per minute text. So it needs to be like this. It's too big. Of course it's too big. Of course it's too big. Can I go like this? Everything over a little bit? Yeah. That. Yeah, sorry, that's on me. I was schmoving. Okay, so something like this. So this tells you I don't want that text there. That looks really bad to me. I'm gonna put a label, like when we make the tab or the table up at the top, I'm just gonna put the label to say per minute. That, I think that looks really gross. Yeah, so you're gonna buy more elsewhere, and then it'll, like, this number will be updating to show you how much of the thing that you have. Yeah, that look okay. Yeah, and then you'll have like a whole list of things. Okay. Okay, I need to prefab this. I need to soon realize that nothing you say can be taken seriously. Still like some distinction though between that's I'm curious to hear like so it was you want a distinction between like this number and the currency number? Or like this needing a label of like 1.23k pounds, maybe? Pounds, what else could there be? Count obviously doesn't work. What is a good, what do you measure or in? Distinction between the text that lives on the same row. Oh, that's a good point too. Because it's very flat at the moment. Idea you had it earlier is fine, just make it a column specifier on top. Yeah, for sure. Tons? Maybe. I kind of prefer it without a label. But I still think that you're right, it needs to be distinct from these two. Could you do something like that by just making this bigger? Like, oh, I could get rid of the scroll bar, but like something like this. Because then this one stands out more, so it kind of catches your eye a little bit. This is more of a label. Oops. I can shift this over to intersect with the image a little bit more. Because the main thing I want you to be looking at on this page, like if you come here, immediately you should just see the number. And like, we don't really care specifically about this as much. I just want to, I want to pay attention to the number. And this being smaller too is actually nice. Because I don't care much about this number too much either, unless I'm like specifically looking at one thing. One thing I always appreciate in games is when I can skim across the screen and look for a specific type of element. Yeah, that's a really good point. I'm gonna leave it like this for now. I think I like the idea of just having this be bulkier. When we make like the table that surrounds it and also the outline for this thing, I can add some more like visual elements to make it stand out. But that's a good point. Borders? Yeah, for sure borders on this. I'm just trying to get the like functionality part of it down first. Yeah, this is gonna have like, oh, I didn't have it in the mockup, but some sort of like table layout to this. Okay, Excalibur, be like that, because it needs some sort of labels up at the top, and then it should have like, you know how like tables just have slightly different colors between the different columns, like let me see if I can find one real quick. Not quite like that, like something not like this, but this is the idea, right? This is awful. So maybe closer to this, like something so that it's visually distinct, like white and light gray. Yeah, exactly. Although depending on like the stylistic choices for the game, it might be like I almost want to say like Stardew Valley-esque. I want just the like the label of the game. Isn't there one where it's like on a piece of wood or something? So, maybe like okay, you see specifically the 1.5 here, like this, like display it on something like this, but like industrial looking, like steel or wood or something like that, or like a background like that. I don't know if that made any sense. Cool. Works as a placeholder. Sick. Or dialect UI? Yeah, like something like just more stylistic. Dialectic UI. What is this? This is very engineer. This could work actually. I don't know if this is what you're talking about, but I don't think it is. Diegetic. I want to remove this song from the playlist. I like Breaking Bad, don't get me wrong, but it's weird to have someone talking in my ear. What is? Maybe I need that. Maybe I need to add the word UI. This might be. Okay. There is a extra. Wait, it's called extra history now. Didn't this used to be called extra credits? Why is it extra history? What? If there's an extra credits video on it, then it means it's a fancy word that very professional game developers use. So I should definitely look at this. I'm gonna leave the tab open. Fancy word for having it look like UI is made out of stuff you see in the game. Yeah. You nailed it. Perfect. Thanks for giving me the word. Around the beginning of this week, my ChatGPT suddenly started a roleplay. What? Like it just did it on its own? Hey, Elite Tech Works, thanks for the follow as well. Is that another Roit clone? Roit, are you just making more accounts? Welcome. Enjoy the emotes. More room for designs. More room for designs, but I really want to open a new paradigm for the users so we can implement our core values into a more open design space that's more enriching for the players, you know? Yeah, dude. You at GDC, bro. They call me the next Todd Howard. Unfollowed? Deserved. Absolutely deserved. I'm so good at bullshitting. It was my job for 6 years, bro. I worked in contracting. The real words I'm going to say mean I took a model out of scikit-learn and I put it on your database and I didn't even tune it. But to you, no. I used the latest cutting edge technology to implement artificial intelligence on your dataset to analyze big data into actionable insights. I opened up scikit-learn and said train model. Yo, Elite Techworks, thanks for the for the raid. Sorry, welcome. How'd your stream go? Were you also developing? Hey, Chili, thanks for the follow too. Dang, so much love. Dang, I appreciate it. Oh my goodness. Enjoy the emotes. Welcome. Yeah, that was my profession. Was getting people to buy off-the-shelf scikit-learn models. Actionable insight models. Consumer-driven actionable insight models. Alright, attach script to this thing. So this is an inventory display. We can prefab this guy. I'm gonna do class name, inventory display, extends this. I could have been a tech consultant and peddled AIBS to companies that don't need it. That's absolutely what I did. That was my job. Most of the time, like, it doesn't feel like it's the wrong thing to say, because like most of the time it was helpful, but like it's easier to sell something when it sounds really nice, when like in actuality it's like we did like linear gradient descent. That's it. We just took the average of your data and tell you what it is on a fancy looking UI. You know what I mean? Like, is it helpful to you? Yeah. Is it worth the money? That's kind of up to you. Like, is it AI? A loose definition. Depends on who you're asking. Yeah, consulting's whack, dude. Getting contracts and stuff in consulting, whack. Like the vibes here, have a follow. Aw, thank you so much. I'm game dev as well, technical artist, hard surface model, so I often float between dev streams. Do you stream as well, Chili? I want to see your art. That sounds sick. How long you been making games for? That's awesome, dude. Hi, was needed to send them to someone. Have a great stream. Thanks, Ed. I appreciate it. Hope your stream went well. Hey, Schnock, how's it going? Dude, I really like how Twitch does this thing now with like the first time chat from raiders and stuff. It's so nice. I like it. It's nice to be able to tell when people are new and also to tell where people came from. Streaming in the past, very sporadic. The best way to stream, dude. Especially if you want to get stuff done. I used to be a sporadic streamer. Then I started actually having a schedule. It's so gross. The other day, I've been accidentally referred to it as my job. Someone was like, "What are you doing after school today?" I was like, "Oh, I'm gonna have work." And they're like, "Oh, what is your work?" I was, yeah, it's I'm a freelance developer is what I went with. Not like super wrong. It felt gross though. It's like, yeah, entertainer. I will be dead in the ground before I refer to myself as that. If I ever say influencer, I'm done. I'm closing it all, closing up shop, delisting every game off the App Store. It's over. Discord gone, Twitter gone, Twitch stream as if it never existed. Removed. Indie developer? I like indie developer. I should have said indie developer. I didn't. And now people think I work freelance. So I don't know. It was a spur of the moment thing. You had to be there. Oh god, now Twitter has an attack vector. Oh no, dude. I don't think my Twitter's linked to anything. You can find it if you're desperate, but I don't recommend it. My Twitter is just me shouting into the void. I kind of enjoy that it's not linked to any of this stuff, because I mostly just post soundbowl text clips. Alright, we need a prefabs. Prefabs? Yeah, prefabs. Inventory display.tsn. So now we can go into this scene directly and arrange things. Oh, we can even set the anchors here however we want them. There we go. Okay. Can I do... Let this transform to be at the top. Set the anchors to be at the top. Yeah, okay. This is exactly what I wanted. And now everything is anchored together, and I can just adjust this position and everything should anchor correctly. Turns out the answer was just redo everything in a different scene, and it fixed it all. That's crazy. I can shift this like over. I want to make it so the transforms are inline though. So let's see. Can this just be 0? Is it gonna pop? Oh yeah, that doesn't. Minus 20? Since it's a 40 by 40 image that you put it on the line exactly? Yeah. Or the size is, why would the size be 20? Can I make it 22? And then have this be minus 11? And then I'm gonna do the same thing for this one. It's 31. Okay. What if I make everybody 30? 30 is okay? Oh no, hang on. Do you see the problem? It's slightly above the line because the text isn't vertically aligned. It's only horizontally aligned. Oh no. Not showing some of my work. I've yet to make a public portfolio. I could link short clips of some stuff I made, but they'll be those beautifully lengthy Discord links. I mean, I'm cool with it. I'm just always interested to see what people are working on, but like, don't feel pressured if you don't want to like dig stuff up or you don't want to put things in a portfolio. I was just curious what you were working on. Don't feel totally needed to dig everything up and post everything. It's not centered on followed. It's, I don't know how to do vertical. There's no BB tag for vertical alignment in Discord in Godot. I don't know why. B code vertical align. As you've seen, that you get text at the bottom of the image by default with this. You can get text at the top. Neither of those things are what I want. You can move it vertically. I know, I can click and drag, dude. Make the square smaller. So my issue with just making the square smaller is I want these two things to be the same. So I guess they don't need to be. Yeah, no, you're right. You're right. Oh, you got an ad missed if you responded, but I forgot to check for it. Okay, I will say it again. So I was saying, like, you can post your stuff if you want, but don't feel the need to like dig stuff up if you don't have it in like a ready to go portfolio or anything. Like, don't feel like you have to share it. You know what I mean? I would like to see it. I always like seeing what people are working on, but like, don't put yourself out or anything. You know what I mean? Okay, I can do like 20, 19, perhaps 18. 18 too much. Okay, 19. What's 19 divided by 2? 10.5? Wait, I have a degree in mathematics. It's 9.5. 30. So this, well, okay. So we shrink this down too. So 20, 25? No, 20, 26? 20, you need 27? How greedy are you? 28, 28 the whole time. I'm happy to share. Posting this in school. Yeah, awesome, dude. Like I said, I'd love to see it. Sick. Can I type 19 over 12 in the position area, by the way? What? No way. Wait, hang on, that's 9. That's not right. It'd be 9.5. Weird. Why would it? It did the math right and then didn't truncate it correctly. I nailed this one. It's already perfect. Oh no, I just adjusted it. I'm done. I clicked the wrong guy. 18? No, 18 is wrong. Why does it turn the scroll bar green? What? Why would you? Weird. Negative 9.5 again. So this should be a line like, oh, it's at the top. Look at that. It's way up here. Right. I knew it was going to do that. This transform then can reset to 0. Wait, that's gonna look weird now, no? Uh-oh. Wait, if this, wait, what? Okay, hang on, that doesn't make any sense. This one's position doesn't have like any, it's anchored in the center and it doesn't have any like position movement. So why, when I render it here, does it go snap to the left? What? The anchor is where? It's in the center. What? What? Is it because this control is not in the right spot? What? What? Eh? I'm gonna hit it with the old delete re-instance. That doesn't make any sense to me. Prefabs, inventory display, loop. Now it's a line. I don't understand. It's fine. It's fine. Oh, what? Did I just download something? Oh, it's an MP4. Okay, I trust. I trust. Oh, dude, this is so sick. You made this? I want to play this. I want to play this so bad. I want to play this. I like the little camera shake going on too when you start to drift. Which reminds me of like it looks better than PS2, but like PS2 era racing games. Got the rally lights on the front too. That's so sick, dude. Holy. Yeah, this is cool. You still working on this? Just kind of off and on? Dang, that's cool, dude. Reminds me of Mad Max. It's like Mad Max and a rally game had a kid. Can you go on that ramp? Can you go on the ramp? I want to go on the ramp. Do you have a video going up the ramp? I want to go up the ramp so bad, dude. Hey, yo. Oh, wow. These things have physics on them? How impossible was that to make? What? There's like different cars and stuff too. Do you have a demo? I want to play this game. I want to play this game so bad, dude. Fake physics, purely visual? No. 100% real. Don't. They look real to me. You do indeed have a playable demo? Give me the demo. I want to play your racing game so bad, dude. If you're cool with it, on Monday, we're playing a couple games like from that people have made in the community that they wanted to post and like play on stream. If you're cool with it, would you mind if I played your game too? Because I'm going to be playing a bunch of other demos that day anyways. I want to play your demo, dude. I want to play a racing game. Hell yeah. Is it like a racing thing or is it like a rally sim? Either way, exciting. Just a tech demo 18, but it has a trial mode you can screw around with. Would you be okay with if I played it on stream for a little bit? I want to play your game, dude. It's so sick. Time trial mode, good enough for me. You know how much Trackmania I've played? That's time trial mode only, dude. Bumps equals have physics ramp equals same color as ramp. You should totally be able to go to the ramps based off this. Eh? Wait, what? Bumps have physics, ramp equals same color as ramp. Yeah. It's the ramp is just bigger bump. It should work. Okay, this thing, so I can just literally set the transform on this to do what? Why are you back? I'm not gonna mess with it. I'm just gonna leave it. I don't know why it does that, but I should be able to like drop this 100 now, and then it should render on as the prefab. Yeah, dude, it's prefab. Let's get it. So now I can spawn in a bunch of these different things. Sure thing, I streamed early development of this many years ago. We're like seeing how people play and get feedback. I will absolutely give you some feedback. I'm so excited to play your game, dude. Yeah, send me a link. Twitch works. I mean, if you wanted to join the Discord, we have a Discord you could join too. You know, if you want to put it there, you know, other people, it's just, you know, something you're interested in. You know. Oh, and look at that. Oh, Viridian, totally unrelated, just maybe posted a link to the Discord. That's so cool. What are the odds? It's so crazy, dude. I'm not trying to plug a Discord. I would never do that to you. The red NPC is a seesaw. I'm even more excited now. It leans back and forth as you drive over it. Tad. That's what I've always wanted. Do I do rock climbing in like a mountain, or is there a place? Yeah, I do. I climb at an indoor gym, and I just do bouldering at the moment. But I would love to climb outside. It's just a lot harder, and especially since I moved to Japan, I don't have a group of people that I know that climb outside. So like I'd have to find a group and then bring a bunch of gear and stuff. Because like when you climb outside, you have to bring your own mats and everything, and go like hike out to whatever you want to climb. It's a lot more work. It's not impossible. I have friends back in America that do it all the time. I never got a chance to go, but yeah, it's outdoor climbing is really, really fun. But I mostly do indoor climbing. I'll kind of show you actually. Indoor climbing gym bouldering. What was the first result for toddlers? What? I prefer to give the build download to specific people still. Is it cool if I DM me? Yeah, totally. Either DM me on Discord or on here. Totally fine. What's my grip strength? Oh, I'm so glad you asked. Okay, story time. I go to anime conventions a lot, especially back in the States. That's how I made a lot of my friends in Texas. And there is an artist, and like at the booth. So like, I don't know if you've ever seen artists at anime conventions. Anime convention artist hall, something like this. Yeah, this is perfect. Okay, so this is what we're working with, right? Dude has like a giant setup like this, right? And there's just a bunch of art. You can go up and talk to the artists and buy some art, whatever. You mostly get prints to like hang up on your wall, right? One guy had a little sign right here, and it said, "Free stuff if you have more grip strength than." Oh no, hang on. Grip strength VTuber HoloLine, I think? Yeah. It said if you have more grip strength than the gorilla. This is the gorilla. I don't know what her name is. But they had a grip strength measuring thing with her picture next to it. If you could beat her grip strength, you got a free sticker. So of course, I had to go for the free sticker, right? But I do normally like wear a hoodie. I don't look like, I look kind of like my avatar, right? Like I'm just like a little guy, and I'm usually wearing like a hoodie or even more layers. So I'm kind of a little bit like sleeper build, you know? I'm kind of stealthy. So I go up and I'm like with my friends, and they don't really know that I'm like climber people. And so I was like, oh, should we as a group, as friends, should we all try this funny grip strength thing? I'm sure we can all beat it, right? So I watch my friends go up, and they like get like 28, and I'm like, pretty good. That's pretty good. It was my rhythm game friends, so they didn't know that I was like super into climbing. I go up, 57, bro. 57. I crushed it. I got my free sticker, dude. Oh, so sick. And then later we were at the hotel, like with a bunch of other friends, the ones I actually like have climbed with before, the ones I actually, two of the friends that I got into, 57 kilograms. You had to beat 55. That was the number you had to beat. I got 57. She's also sleeper. Doesn't like she do 55.9. Yeah, it's the best, dude. It's so sick. So we got back to the hotel room, and some of my friends, my other climbing friends, were like, "Oh, did you see in the artist hall that there's like a grip strength thing?" And I was like, "Oh, is there?" And they're like, "Yeah. We tried it, but we couldn't get it." And I was like, "Oh, well, if you get it, what do you get? Do you win something?" And they're like, "Oh yeah, if you get it, you win a free sticker." And I went into my backpack and I was like, "Does it look like this sticker?" And it was the fucking got him, dude. They had no idea. They walked right into it, bro. I was like, is it perhaps this sticker? This one right here? This is the highlight of my entire life. It's been downhill since then, but I'm cool with it, you know. It's good to know when you peaked. Yeah, 55 was the limit. I got 57. That's funny you mentioned Trackmania earlier. The card physics of it can handle really extreme conditions. You can take big jumps and wall rides with it. Yeah, can you do loop-de-loops? Can you make a PF track in your rally game? I love Trackmania, dude. Love Trackmania. Yeah. Radiant, what's your grip strength? Most people that are, so like I'm kind of small. Most people that are bigger than me that climb can outdo me. But I feel like I'm pretty good for my weight, you know? Luckily, I thought the average was 70 kilograms since I measured 85. Yeah, no. I think average grip strength is like 28 kilograms because like the grip strength machine strength test, you don't get to use your whole hand. It's just your fingertips like this. So it's kind of like, I mean, you sort of get to use your whole hand. I don't know. I don't really know how this works. But yeah, you have to hold it at a certain angle and everything too. I think the average is like 28. A cool dude, you can do 85? Oh, it's a guess. Jesus. I talk so much about my car physics projects, I'm gonna stick to answering questions. Oh no, come on. Look, I want to hear about your car game, dude. I don't have to hold back. Surely Wiki, how are you? Good? Okay. Surely Wiki how would have an answer, right? For men, you typically want to have a grip strength reading of above 105. What? You mean pounds? What? Eh? Now, one of my friends that like does like weightlifting and can bench like, I don't know, 10 bajillion things. Like grip strength is it's just a totally different muscle. Apparently the average is 105 unknown units. So they're you gotta get 105 of them, whatever they are. With these spamming chat, yeah, man, absolutely. Tell me about your game. Distracted you, made me lose on break invaders. When you get a game over, the ad refreshes. Give me your money. I'm just kidding. It doesn't do that. Grip strength was mega low before I started calisthenics. Dude, calisthenics kick ass. They're like, I like any exercise. 57 kilograms is 125 pounds. Oh. Huh. Apparently I'm average then. I don't know. That seems wrong because like my friends that are really, really stocky and climb all the time couldn't get to 57. I don't know. It's fine. Like let's just all live in the hyperbole land where I'm the coolest person ever and also the main character and pretend that my story was impressive. Okay. If we come out and hear the average is 60 kilograms, I'm gonna get so sad. But yeah, I like calisthenics and like like anything that gets you like kinesthetically aligned better. Right? There's a reason I really like running and climbing as like my main go-to exercises. Is they like apply for everything else in your life. Like when you're just walking around, like the muscles you built from climbing and running like pay off. Or like you're in a weird situation where like you feel like you're gonna trip on some stairs, right? Like climbing will save you from like losing your balance and stuff like that. I like it more than going to the gym and just like pick up heavy thing, put down heavy thing. It's like, okay, well, I'm getting stronger and like working out, but yeah. Hey, Aerox, how's it going? How are you? Welcome. In that case, I started working on it as a research project around 2015 or so. I noticed racing games have been on the decline for a while, having really jank controls. True. Physics are both. So I understand about myself how difficult it is to make driving that doesn't suck. That's so sick, dude. Damn. That's awesome. Another raid? Oh yeah. This one's Aerox though. Are you a VIP Aerox? If you're not, I'm making you right now. Hang on, hold on. VIP Aerox. How'd your stream go, man? Are you doing art stuff? Yeah, VIP'd. Aerox is here quite a bit. They're very cool, talented 3D artists. Actually, I'm gonna look at your art real fast because your stuff is cool. I want to see the yeah. Where's the? Oh shoot, I don't have the link. The pixel art like Dragon Girl thing. Be brief for 1 sec. Ah, shoot, they left. I wanted to show their art. All right, maybe they come back. But yeah, super cool 3D artist. They like back. Hey, do you have a link to the thing you were showing me the last time, like the pixel art Dragon Girl? Someone lost the link over here at Sky Gray Industries. It could have been anyone. How long did it take me to reach? Or not Dragon Girl. It was the. What? Okay. I'm going to the VODs. Hang on. Maybe it wasn't a Dragon Girl specifically. Screenshot in disc. Yeah. Maybe I'm misremembering. I apologize. 2-3 VODs though. I tried. Hey Mars Lemon, how's it going? Let me put you in the background while I do my prep for today. How are you? How'd the rest of your stream go the other day? We raided Mars Lemon a little bit ago. Yeah, it takes me like 15 minutes to get to the gym via train, right? I usually hop on the train that's near my house and then it's pretty fast. Though coming back is always a little awkward because like I have chalk on me and like look, I'm like trying not to touch anyone because I don't want to get chalk on other people. I like try to brush it all off at the gym, but just trying to get a 1 minute dead hang on one arm. One arm? Dude. That's sick. Good luck. Yeesh. Imagine if she's training those hand gripper things for like a month. I think like the HoloLive girl does like grip strength training and stuff. Yeah. Now grip strength is it's tough and like it's weird when it does like when you have to use it in different situations. Like when you're climbing and there's like a crimp versus a pocket, like it feels like a completely different muscle, even though it's still like your forearm getting engaged. We're in the middle of tweaking and fixing some stuff in the car project, but I'll get a build uploaded soon so you can try it out later. You said Monday? Yeah. If you can, don't feel pressured. If you don't feel like you have to get it by Monday, I'll be more than happy to play another time. But if you want to give me a demo by Monday, that'd be sick. She never trained grip strength? Oh. Shit. Alright, well. Oops. Friday helps you get shit done. Then I want it on my desk Monday after. You know what? Sunday evening. I want the papers on my desk. I want the demo, or else you're gonna get a formal written complaint, and it's going straight to corporate. Is this helpful for you? Oh no. Okay, I'm sorry. I take it up. Okay, take your time. Relax. Everyone, chill out. Been perfectly. Thanks for asking. Made decent progress this week. Nice, man. Nice. Hopefully, at the end of next week, we'll be able to start on level design. Dang, you're schmoving. We've spent 2 days and made this. It ain't much. Oh, man. Evil Sky, corporate Sky, the boss of Sky Gray Industries. No, I hate doing people management, dude. I will never do it again. I was a manager when I was in contracting for a little bit. I was a senior machine learning engineer, and I had a team of machine learning engineers, and I was miserable. You're not gonna search Google to try and find my apartment. Hey, how about we don't do that, though, is the cool thing about that sentence. Let's maybe not try to find my apartment, shall we? Let's not dox the streamer today, you know? Oh, I just disabled the unique name. I did that last time I was coding, too. Yeah, I prefer not to get doxed, me personally. It's like a personal, you know, it's like a opinion thing that I have. I've always had it, you know? I've been consistent with my beliefs that I don't enjoy getting doxed. Sent a gift screenshot and the last couple things I've done in your Discord. Oh, thank you. Oh, wait, what? Discord? Huh? Okay, yeah. Oh, yeah. Sorry, I don't know why I thought it was a dragon girl. This is just a dragon. I don't... Look, I'm doing my best. Look at this, though. Isn't this sick? It's so cool, dude. So cool. Look at this. That's rad. Humanoid characters are too hard. No, that's fair. Absolutely, that's fair. I like dude, my favorite thing with like 3D artists is when you put them you put the art in the microwave. Is microwave in the dragon. I love it, man. When they're like T-posed and they're just in the microwave. Gotta cook them, gotta toast them for a little bit. Hey, Starshot, how goes the idling? It's been pretty good. We got like the displays to work correctly with the scientific integers and stuff, and number go up. You don't have any real money. The number just goes up, but hey, it's better than nothing. We started a new redeem reward on Twitch where you can make me shut up and actually code for a whole minute. So we actually got things done today. Wild. Yeah, most of the program is done in the first 20 minutes. I wasn't gonna say it, but yeah. Could be. I'll do a little bit here. I'll do a little bit right here too. Okay. Inventory display. We need to. How do we set the name dynamically? We need to. And it was all Twitch integration though. Ugh. Good luck. Got more event sub and chat things, dude. Twitch integration stuff, that seems like so hard. I wish you the best of luck. I'm not gonna lie, I'll probably go watch your VODs later. I lurk in your stream a lot. I don't know if it's not to what is it, self-report, but yeah. Twitch, I don't think I'm ever ready for Twitch integration, so that's rad, dude. Need a microwave door effect now? For 3D modeling? Yeah, it's super sick. I just look so silly to me. I love it. You did program Twitch integration redeems? That stuff was so fun. We were looking at oh, tummy ache went away, going to bed. Aw, good night, venomous dogs. Thanks for hanging out. We were looking at Unity had a Twitch integration plugin not too long ago that looked really sick. It is because Twitch sucks. I say for my Twitch program. Hey, it's called speaking from experience. Yeah, it's yeah, you linked that one. Yeah. The Unity one. It seems pretty good. Number go up equals serotonin. Exactly, dude. I love when I buy a thing and the number go up, and then I buy more thing, and the number go up faster. That gives me the feel good chemicals. Got node based Twitch programming. Ugh. Good luck, man. I'll check the pod later. Thanks for posting your art again, by the way. Appreciate you. And then yeah, then you buy more things, and then the number goes up even faster. And then with your more money, you can buy the things more, and then the number goes up even faster. It's perfect. It's the greatest experience you can have. Gotta get better at posting stuff. You're fine. Post when you feel like it. Don't feel like you have to like maintain a posting schedule. Although I will say, like screenshot Saturdays is like a real thing for indie dev and like art communities. I post stuff on like Twitter and stuff. Just it's like the same vibes as a game jam, you know. It just keeps you consistent in doing something every week. So maybe you know, screenshot Saturdays could be a thing. You know. If a community game thing has an event, very nice. I was wondering around what time to start. Yeah. I just recently learned how to make the community events. I need to make a channel for the games we're gonna play too. But we have a Toasts game, we have the Carnival game. Maybe if you can get it on my desk by Sunday night, we'll add your game too. But we're playing Klaxon's game as well, and Tea Times too. So we got 5 demos to go through. Should be super sick. I'm very excited. Better for dynamic var. Var demo equals var 1, var 2. Function ready. Set demo. Oh, so you can set like, you mean like, no, it can't be export var. It's like var args, something like this. And then on ready, you scan through the args. You can set for each of the individual things. That could work. My thing is like, how do, on instantiation, is there a way you can do .instantiate and pass arguments to a prefab? That's the question I should be asking. Instantiate with arguments, go down. Because that would kind of fix, you got to do a constructor manually? Ugh, really? Because this is the naive way, right? You just instantiate the thing and then you set the things individually. Our enemy instantiates. Oh, you have to do set variables like that, huh? Dang, that's a little unfortunate. So, yeah, you can have like a set function. You can use init. Are we talking? Yeah, this isn't instantiating a scene. So it's like it's the same thing as a prefab in Unity. But I know how to set args into prefab in Unity. I just don't know how to do it in Godot. And as I recently learned, Godot does not necessarily have all the things that Unity does. Constructor manually. You just make a method and put what I need in it. We'll probably just do that then. But I like the idea of having the default args too that Mars Lemon was mentioning. Yeah, and then, so you can't do it in the ready frame then. You have to do it as like a separate call to a custom constructor. Sounds like. I know the C# way of doing it. Me too. I only know how to do it in Unity, dude. This is another one of those like things I need to learn on the great pilgrimage from Godot to Unity. Gatra, you should go work on your game, TVH. You should go work on your game. Hey, Gatra, if you can get a demo done by Monday, I hear this guy's doing this thing where we play games. Nah. Just realized Japan is so big. Yeah, you should take that as an argument as to why you shouldn't dox me there, right? Fortunately, got a new manual. Rip. Okay, that's okay. We can just do like set arguments, something like that. That also means we have to dynamically set text and stuff in the prefab here. So we have to like get all the different references for the text. Yeah, sorry, the model glitches out sometimes. I need to recalibrate. But it gets around like 3 hours, it starts to lose calibration a little bit. You can have the GitHub project place and download it if you want. Honestly, yeah, I'd do that. Easy dynamic setup, which sucks because they're really good in Unity. Like I really like the way Unity does it, but oh well, so it goes. Okay, so yeah, like this. The arguments we need to set are the. Oh no, we have to set the icon, which means we need to have this be a route to the icon that we want, and then load the icon. That might take too long to load. Loading icons is usually pretty slow. If you came from Unity, what mode made you adopt Godot scripts instead of just using C#? So part of it was because it looked like Python. Part of it was because I just wanted to learn something new. But like the biggest argument was most of the tutorials and things that I saw for Godot used GD script, and like my understanding was that the people at Godot were making the case that like GD script is more like runs more natively for Godot. But I learned that that's not really the case, and maybe I should have just used C# the whole time. But now I know GD script pretty well, and I really like using it because it looks like Python, and I'm just kind of stuck using it. It's like, eh. But I like C# a lot. I have to go now. Friends are not playing mobile games. Had fun today. See ya. See ya, Roy. Take it easy. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Vampire Survivor clone. Oh, it's called Vampire Survivor's clone. Excellent, dude. How difficult would this be for me to compile? What is this? What is this made in? Is this Godot? Yeah, it's Godot. I see .tsens. So I could just open this up in Godot then, huh? Never heard the more native thing. I swear I like read some stuff on Reddit and like the GD forums and stuff saying like it's more native, but it's not. It's the same. It do the same. I don't understand where that like impression came from. I don't know, but I'm stuck with it. A bare minimum, it used to be that C# has less support. Yeah, but I feel like it makes up for it in being like a more dynamic language. I don't know. That was like 3.5, 3.5-ish, 3.3, 3.5-ish. Yeah. Yeah. But I like GDScript, so I'm cool with it now. Yeah. I think I'm stuck with it. Think of becoming a home meowner in this difficult society? I sure would love to, but I don't think that's in the cards for me, Starshot. Also, nice pirate software reference, the home meowner. Infront gave Godot a try over a year ago. It's a neat engine, but our gripe was that it inherited a little too much of Python's dynamic type. Yeah, that's actually definitely true. I get tripped up with that all the time with like floats and integers. But also, yes, it does have static typing, which I also recently learned. Though, be honest with you, like C# lets you play it pretty fast and loose with typing as well. Like you can is it in C# you say let or var? It's like, yeah, does it look like a number? It's probably a number. Don't worry about it. It's fine. Not gonna lie, I hate Python syntax. I really came to enjoy it. But I can definitely see like it's sick for beginners that are learning to code for the first time. But like if you come from C, like C++ or lower, like you look at Python, you're like these kids don't understand anything they're doing. You're just putting a variable down wherever you want. You think you can do that? You think you're allowed to do? No, they have no respect for the game, you know? But I think Python adds a lot of like not obfuscated, like a lot of high level things that are super nice that like would be very annoying to have in C if they're not in like a standard library. Like iterating through a list backwards, right? You can just do like for thing in list, or like list slicing, I guess. It's like last element equals list minus 1. Like this stuff you can do in lower languages, obviously, but like, it's just nice in Python. You can just kind of do this on the fly, and like generator statements are super powerful in Python too. Though some people are a little generator spammy, your boy included. My friend does more program than me, so I don't remember the specifics of making a field have strict typing, but it'd be a lot of spaghetti / boilerplate right from the start. Maybe it was in the past, but now you can just do something like this. You can just say like var my int. You just do like that. So it's not too bad now, but it does force you to do this. And like, if you want to overwrite this later, it won't stop you. Yeah. Might have been before 4.0. It was a little more janky before 4.0, I believe that. Or why curse us with forbidden knowledge? You know, we'll spread it like wildfire. Do you know? You want to know some real forbidden knowledge? Let me see if let me open a REPL real quick. This is like Python dark arts. Please let me open a REPL. Hell yeah, dude. All right, we're gonna go create REPL. We're gonna say Python. We're gonna go to Python 2. What? Where's Python 2? What? Python 2. What do you mean there's no? What? Python 2.0. What? Hang on. What? Pause. Everyone hang on. What? Why is there no Python 2.0 anymore? People still use it. Is it because of the template? Well, do I have any like old REPLs I can pop open? I don't have any. Okay, well, it doesn't look like it. Damn it. Okay, can I do like CodePen? I want to do this. Yeah, can I do this? Can I want to do a funny thing, dude. Online Python 2.0. Sure, I'll say compiler. Can I do this? Can I write Python code here? Yes. Okay. Forbidden Python knowledge. You ready for this? True equals 7. True is 7 now. The value of true, it is 7. Print. Let's see. 1 equal prints 1 equals 1. Just I don't remember the syntax for printing out. How do I run? Go. How do I execute? What? This is not a true Python compiler. Print true. There we go. Hey, you know true, is it because it's supposed to be lowercase in Python? Like this? No, this is the keyword, yeah. You can assign the keyword to be different things. You're allowed to do assignment to keywords in Python. The value of true is 7 now. That's not good. Uh-oh. I don't know why it's not working for this. Normally, once you do this, you should be able to print 1 double equals 1, and it should print 7, but it's printing true again for now. I don't know why it's doing that. Alaric NM, thanks for the follow. I appreciate it. Yeah. This is Python jank. You're allowed to do that. That's fine. Totally allowed. Totally fine. Python 3.0 does not let you do that. They figured that maybe that's a bad thing to be able to do. Love global overwrites. They're so sick, dude. It's like targeted bug implementing, you know? You want to really mess someone up? Put that at the top of the file. They'll never find it. Let's see. One thing that Unity does pre-GD 4.0 I didn't seem to be able to do was assigning multiple elements to a list in an inspector all in one go. In Unity, you can drag and drop a hot mess of objects and only add valid entries to the list. Godot accepted all of them. Yeah, if you export vars in Godot, it trusts you. It lets you do it. One other thing you can't do is like if you define a custom resource and you want to like dynamically assign it in the editor, Godot will not let you do that. Whereas like Unity will be like, oh, hey, we see you're using a custom resource. We'll try to auto-populate the fields for you and you can like assign them dynamically. It's like, let's say I made some function called like dog or like animal and I wanted to have one of them be a dog specifically. If I made a list of animals and exported the var, it wouldn't let me like assign it dynamically to be a dog object. Yeah. Which like Unity does let you do that. But I think like that's such a niche thing. I don't know if that's even like that big of a deal. You can't dynamically assign it? What do you mean? Here, I'll show you. It's like if I do @export my random classes, right? And it's like this. And I'm gonna say class my new class, and it has var name, var value, like this, right? And I do something like this. Oh, export var. I do this. And I do this, or I need to do this, I think. Yeah, so I do this. Export, what is a note like this? Expect add end of statement after variable. Next I should have found this instead. What? This is fine, no? No brackets? But I want a list of them. How do I do, is it like this? Am I not allowed to do that? Export type can only be with built-in a resource, a node, or an enum. Yeah. You can't do this. You're not allowed. Oh, it's array type. Oops. What the? Array. It's like this. Yeah. Export type can only be with a built-in resource, node, or an enum. I need to make the class extend resource? No way. Wait, what? Can I do that? It works. Wait. Oh, I need to. Was I wrong? Was I just being a little idiot baby? No way. Hold up. Where's the what do I call this? My random classes. Where is it? Where's the export var? Hello? What did I? Oh, it's on inventory display. Add element. Assign. It kind of works. Wait, can I like assign the? See, like I can't assign like names and stuff to this though. Can I? I don't know. I want to be able to set these values. You can? I'm just a little dumb baby then. Yeah, ignore what I was saying. Jeez. Aerox, what are you, a fucking wizard, man? If you add my new class to it. Oh, like in this thing? Wait, what? Oh, like this element I have to assign? What? What? On the node you can, since my class is a node. Oh. I see. Can I do like resource? And then I'm allowed to do it? Load. You can, oh, I'm learning so much today. What? Weird. Change my new class to a resource, then add an instance to the array. I wish I could do, maybe that does break. Yeah, I wish I could add an element here and then like assign the things for the thing here. Should have a new button. Does it? Quick load. Cancel matches. I don't see a new button. Save my script. You got it. Resource was not pre-cached for the resource section. Bug? Question mark? Can I still not? Weird. I guess. Well, okay. The thing is, like, this does what I wanted to do anyways, because now I can load in the things. Like, I can create my own resources for this class and load things in. We're pretty far down the rabbit hole here, but apparently, yeah, you can just do this. So you have to export them, I believe. It should have a new button that lets you click the resource, and it'll let you set the properties. It should. It should it? I mean, but even just doing this, like if I can set the resource custom myself and then load it in, that's the same thing, right? Even if I'm not setting it specifically in the editor, like on the right hand side, but I can just do my own export. Yeah, exactly. Separate files for resource. That accomplishes what I want this to accomplish. So turns out I'm just bad. Godot could do it the whole time, and I just didn't believe in it. It's on me. It's my fault. But don't worry. The valiant and VIP of the channel, Aeroax, was here to defend Godot's good name. Thank you, Aeroax. You defended a great man today. Oh, thank you. They did a lot adding export custom resources, thankfully. Was this not a thing previously? Oh, see, I was just talking about previous versions of Godot. Did I not make that clear? Sorry. I meant in previous versions you couldn't do it. Yeah, obviously we all know that you can do it here in the new version of Godot. I mean, come on. I expected that level of knowledge from everyone coming in beforehand. You feel me? In 3.5 you can export resources, and it could be custom resources. Do you just wait till I say words so that you can dunk on me? Do you wait to hit enter? Do you? Realistic, the scuff was too much to handle. The whack was created. You so right for that. It's not here, Lumi. It's in Texas. It's in Colorado. Or Michigan, actually. It's legal there too. Fortunately, no, I wish I did. Try exporting a resource and adding something. Sure. Wait, so like class my resource like this? Where did those come from? And then like exporting this? What do you mean, Aerox? Not just at export. Oh, I see. At export var res resource. No way that works, right? Surely that. Disgusting, dude. Wait, can I use my own class here? Could I do? I have a prefab. So what's the prefab? Inventory display? Can I do an inventory display? Ain't no way that works. Yes, it will be in the list. Where, where, where were you the last time I was having this problem? This would have solved so many things. What the hell, dude? I feel good at myself when I look at your terrible code later. No. Strongly recommend F5 before you download anything. No. I see. Now that 4.0 is out, you can also just do IPOR res inventory resource thing you have. Save your sanity. This would have saved. This would have been so... Alright, scrapping this game. We're making a new game. I learned something new. We gotta start over. I'm sorry. It's just the rules of the land. It's over, dude. I just scrolling that list every time. It's penance for doubting the engine, you know? This is my punishment. I deserve this. You know what else I deserve? Dinner. It's that time. I'm sorry. I must go. Oh, my throat is also like I'm working my way up to having a stronger voice, but I can only go for so long. So, welcome to the mirror dimension. Let's find someone to host. If only you were playing Sun Voltex, I'd host you. Anyways, that's not Sun Voltex. All right, let's see who hosts this code and stuff. Any VTubers? VTubers? But yeah, I'm gonna head out. Thanks for hanging out, everybody. It was awesome. Thanks, AeroX, for saving literally countless hours of my life on the next thing that I do. Don't download my project before you update it. I just moved dev to main. Ah, I see. So that wasn't like a funny thing. That was like a literally you have to do that. Live thumbnail on my channel. We're in the mirror dimension, bro. Welcome to the endless mirror. Is this person using Excalibur? Hold the phone. If they are, I will instantly host them. That's Excalibur, dude. We stan Excalibur in this household. We'll send it this way. Alright, software is online. I'm gonna be honest. I don't think he needs it. I think if I don't give him our viewers, I think he's gonna be okay. I'll throw it somewhere else. Yeah. He doesn't need 20 viewers. He needs it. I'll think about it for next time. But yeah, I'm gonna head out. Take it easy, everybody. Thanks for hanging. I'm gonna go get some food and some tea. Heal my voice up. I'll be back. Not tomorrow. I'll be back Sunday. So it'll be Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Yeesh. Yeah, no stream tomorrow because it's Chinese New Year, so I'm getting hot pot with my friends. And don't clip this, but let me see if I can remember. Xin Nan Kao Le, I think is Happy New Year in Chinese, but I might be wrong and my accent's really bad. So Happy Chinese New Year, everybody, in English, where I know how to speak. Later.